it should be working right now. So what's up, guys? Welcome back to a new stream here on my channel. My name is Dan from Crypto Rover. Thank you guys once again for tuning in to this amazing new stream here on the channel, guys. Of course, we are seeing the Bitcoin and cryptocurrency space in general increasing once again, and it is absolutely lovely to see. And I see we're already having more than 200 of you guys tuning into the stream, so that's of course absolutely amazing. Good morning for everyone who's right now tuning in here. And let me disable the sound here, because this is of course not a thing that I want to be seeing here. I see Ilian saying right away, good morning. I see Crypto Aaron once again here saying good morning. Jennifer saying good morning. Guys, this is of course absolutely insane. Let me right away also set real quickly a limit here for 4 seconds here on the chat as well. But I see everyone saying good morning here, so I will be looking forward towards this stream, of course. And let me go right away into the chart, guys. Yes, I think we're seeing very exciting things here, and I can't wait to see what we are going to do here. I think also the issue with YouTube and the search terms is also fixed up, so that's of course also very exciting. But guys, if you look across the board here, you can see, yeah, Bitcoin has been increasing a little bit here, approximately an increase of 3.7% in the last 24 hours. But of course, since Ethereum, since Bitcoin is pumping, Ethereum definitely followed. And guys, also this coin internet computer, I will be talking about it as well in this stream here, because yes, I did my research on it, and I definitely think this is a very exciting coin. And I should also be saying to you guys, I don't necessarily think this is a bad buy, to be very honest. I definitely think this is a very good buy, and you have been seeing it decreasing a little bit here already pretty significantly. But do you really want to be going out of it, or do you really want to be buying into it? You can see also getting listed on Coinbase Pro, guys. I will be talking about this coin in a second here, and I mean, my thoughts are very excited about this internet computer coin here. I did my research on it, and we will be discussing it also live in the stream, what it is exactly doing here, what they're trying to solve, and of course, why they are here in the top 10 here, because yes, they definitely belong in the top 10. And of course, hopefully you guys want to be want me to hear me also talk a little bit about that one. And I mean, we can also see XRP increasing. I mean the trade that I was accumulating is currently already in more than 35% here in profit. So right now, this is of course a very beautiful thing to see here. And as well, Cardano has been going up 8% in the last 24 hours. So guys, I mean, you've been hearing me talking about Cardano almost every single day here on the channel, because yes, guys, I truly love Cardano, and I truly think Cardano is going to give me insane good returns here. So that is the reason why I'm still very excited about it. And I mean, I've been posting a lot about it on my Instagram. I've been posting a lot about it here on my TikTok account as well here about Cardano, because yes, guys, I don't make these videos for no reason. I definitely think that Cardano is one of the assets that we want to be looking at for the coming, let's say, maybe a month, or maybe the coming 2 months here. So I mean, very exciting days ahead of us, and let's discuss the Bitcoin chart. So yesterday I was also uploading a video on the channel about about what Bitcoin is currently doing, and what we are currently seeing with the Bitcoin price, and what we are currently seeing how it is of course unfolding. And it was looking particularly good here in my opinion, because the Bitcoin price, of course, if you just purely look to the chart over here, we can be seeing some things there. And I mean, I will be going over it once again here, because I just want to be discussing this every single day here. You can see the trend on the RSI is still definitely going to the downside on Bitcoin, whether the prices were still rising here. So what is this basically telling us? This is basically telling us that we were starting a downtrend, and that we are losing buying strength. And you can see it also because we're creating first very significant higher highs, and right now we were cooling off pretty significantly. So this was of course a pretty not an exactly bullish sign, of course, but it was of course holding back the price here. And of course we are in this trend line to the downside right now, and of course I do expect that we're going to break through this this line anytime soon here, and to create some more momentum to the upside anytime soon here. So that's of course very exciting to see here. And let me also do this quick checkup over here. Yes, everything is working. Yeah, you can see right now that you can find us once again here. If you just search up Crypto Rover, you can see us live here. So that is of course for me a very important thing to see here. So that is of course very exciting. But guys, also what I can currently see here, already having 400 of you guys tuning in here, and I see the donation from Tech still coming in here. Please tell Tron. So we'll be going into Tron in a second. But guys, before we're going into exactly everything here, because yes, I will be going more into depth about Bitcoin. Good morning from Amsterdam. That's pretty cool, the bakery. So Guys, make sure to right away smash up these like buttons. That would be, of course, very amazing. Currently having 106 likes. Can we be already smashing it up to 200? I think we definitely can do so. So, yeah, for Bitcoin, you can see downwards momentum phase getting started here. We are seeing a downwards momentum phase getting started because the MACD, the RSI is, once again setting lower highs each and every time. And it's, of course, giving us a signal that we are losing strength on a daily. But Bitcoin as well, and like every single asset in the forex, in the crypto, always an asset moves in waves. And for Bitcoin, once again, also in the momentum indicator on the buying strength, we are moving in waves, and I definitely think that we're going to start a new upwave anytime soon here. But of course, we are very close in terms of maybe starting this new wave to the upside. And of course, like I also told you guys in that video, definitely if we're going to start a new wave to the upside, and if we're really going to break this trend line here in the daily candles with the RSI, we're going to see very significant prices to the upside and in a very rapid pace as well here. So yes, guys, I definitely think if we're going to see a new all-time high getting created, that we are going to see a lot of volatility as well in the market, and that we are going to go maybe as well exponential with Bitcoin, like we are also doing currently with Ethereum. So definitely worth to keep your eyes out on Bitcoin, because yes, very exciting days are ahead of us. And I mean, also guys, what I yesterday was talking about, and why I yesterday also told on my Instagram story and as well on the channel here, I think Bitcoin is going to get a reversal here. I think Bitcoin is going to bounce because guys, there are multiple things coming together, and you can see over here the 20-day moving average, of course, providing support on Bitcoin. Always provides support once you're trading above it. Once you're trading below it, is providing resistance. And you can see right now, previously as well here, once you were finding support on it, we were definitely having a lift off to the upside here. And I do think, like I told you as well here on the channel, that we are going to see this insane surge to the upside getting created anytime soon here. And besides that, guys, higher low getting created, higher low getting created, and once again higher low getting created. So are the days ahead of us bright? Yes, definitely. I think the coming days that we're going to see here are very exciting, because we're probably going to see more upwards momentum than downwards momentum. So that's, of course, already a very exciting thing here. Besides that, it looks to be that we're setting a higher high on the daily MACD here. Besides that, we're still in this bullish crossover phase, and that can be, of course, very beneficial. And the thing that I was also talking about yesterday in the video, and I mean, I'm just reevaluating from yesterday's video to right now to see what my predictions from yesterday was doing here. Because yes, guys, yesterday I was making this video approximately around this hour over here, about over here. So I was saying to everyone, it looks to be that the 4-hourly MACD is shifting right now, because guys, what you can see over here, higher low getting formed here, higher high getting formed as well here. So what we are currently seeing is a new momentum shift to the upside. We are losing the buying, we are losing the selling pressure, and we are regaining the buying strength into the market. So this is, of course, very exciting, because this higher low structure getting formed right now. And also, we are about to have a bullish crossover. And yesterday I was saying this as well, that we are going to see a bullish crossover anytime soon here. And right now you can see it playing out here. You can see, I don't know what happened here. I think something broke or so. I know, I have to check this on later. But you can see right now, higher low structure getting formed here, and right now as well, we are about to have a bullish crossover on the MACD as well. So this is, of course, very exciting, and I can't wait to see what we're going to do, because this is definitely very exciting. And this will be definitely also providing the momentum shift to the upside for Bitcoin, what we have been waiting for. And as well, on the 1 hour, it's looking very valid here. We're setting in higher high structure. So I mean, MACD is definitely an exciting, giving us a very exciting signs currently. And I mean, if you also look to the trend lines that we are currently can be looking at, guys, you can be seeing, we are still getting supported by the lower side. The top side here is providing us the major resistance. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 touch points already on the top side here. Previously was providing us support. This is definitely a level that we are going to see getting reached here. And of course, if we're going to break this level, I will be feeling very exciting, because yes, guys, if we're going to break this level on the top side, we're definitely going to see some new all-time highs getting created anytime soon here. So this is definitely a very exciting level that we want to be breaking here for Bitcoin. And of course, we were talking about it previously as well. Once we were retesting it exactly over here, we were saying, okay, guys, you want to be looking at this level. And you should definitely say to yourself, okay, if we're going to break through this level, you should definitely embrace the long trade opportunity. I already accumulate more and more Bitcoin. I already accumulated my Bitcoin long position already over here. Once going higher, I was waiting for a retest, because if we're going to break out, I will be adding more to my position. But right now, yes, of course, the previous days we were falling a little bit to the downside, and I added even more to my position. And of course, it was a very strong opportunity to even add more to your position. And you can see we were getting supported very well and very beautifully. And like I told you before, the higher the time frame, and this one is of course on the 4-hourly, the more time you have to anticipate to a certain bounce to the upside. So this was of course a very exciting yeah, long trade, of course, that you already could accumulate. And I mean, I'm currently trying to accumulate a swing trade position, so what I should be saying, yeah, it's never too late. And my strategy is always, I open my positions over here. I mean, if we're going to fall further, I will be adding more, because I know the big players, the big whales are currently buying up their Bitcoin. And for me, I know personally that there is never a bad time to buy Bitcoin. And definitely if you're trying to open a swing trade position, it is never bad, guys. So what I can also see over here, already 609 of you guys are tuning in here to the stream, guys. Absolutely insane that you guys once again here. And let me see what we're currently having. 160 likes already, guys. Can we be smashing it up to 200 likes? That would be, of course, very amazing if we can do so. Already you guys are smashing up these subscriber buttons. You guys are, of course, always insane, just like always. And let me go into the price section of Ethereum. Let me go into Ethereum, because I definitely want to be discussing Ethereum as well here, guys. I mean, still, I don't feel overexcited about Ethereum. I will be going into Cardano as well here, because yes, I put it in the title because I definitely feel very excited about it. So for me, it's definitely a discussion point of today's stream here, and I think it's very important to discuss this one as well here. So yeah, let's see what it will be doing here. But guys, yeah, what you can currently see here, Ethereum is still looking very, very yeah, very interesting currently, because you can see over here, you're forming a downward sloping resistance line on the RSI. You're forming lower highs where you're still forming higher highs in the price chart, but of course is ending in a lot of bearish divergence. So you can see over here as well, here you're forming a lower high over here. Higher high in the price chart, you're forming a bearish divergence over here. So yeah, there are multiple bearish divergences currently getting formed here on the price section for Ethereum compared to US dollar. That is of course making me feel very skeptical about it, because yes, I do feel very excited about Ethereum, because yes, in the long run I always feel excited, guys. You have to know it. In the long run, I always feel excited. But yeah, I mean, if you look to the chart here, you can see it's going absolutely exponential. And of course, the daily is looking healthy, but the 4-hourly is giving us reversal signals, because the 4-hourly looks to be topping out over here, in my opinion. Because you can see we're forming a downslope resistance line here. We are forming a downtrend on the RSI. We are forming higher highs in the price chart, lower highs on the RSI. Of course, ending in a lot of bearish divergence. Besides that, if you also flip onto the MACD here, you can see that we are currently starting a lower high structure on the MACD, what can be, of course, pushing the price a little bit lower here, and also a lower low structure. So for me, it's too risky to buy into Ethereum currently, and I should rather say, like I told you as well with the cycle, how it works. Once Ethereum is pumping so significantly, you tend to see the momentum shifting to these different altcoins, like these other top 10 coins like Cardano, like Chainlink, like Polkadot, etc. And that's also a thing that you can currently see as well. They've been performing very well here. You can see also Bitcoin Cash pumping. I don't know exactly why here. And also Uniswap, of course. And I mean, I was doing a tweet about Uniswap as well, guys, as you can see over here. Uniswap has fully flipped Bitcoin in fees. Very impressive. So Uniswap is currently handling more fees than Bitcoin, so of course that's mainly because of the gas fees being so high of Ethereum, but it's of course a very exciting thing here, and everyone's saying, yeah, Uniswap is definitely the exchange killer as well here. But let's see what it will be doing here. It's of course a decentralized exchange, and I definitely think it has a lot of future, and that's the reason why I also should be saying here, being exposed to Uniswap, being exposed to PancakeSwap, you want to at least be exposed to some swap exchanges, because yes, it is very exciting. And I mean, also the locked value currently in it, 9 billion, absolutely insane in terms of locked value. So that's of course also very exciting here. And I should definitely say to you guys, yeah, I mean, you want to be a little bit exposed to these swap exchanges. But for Ethereum, of course, you guys, you have to know, if you're buying into Ethereum right now, you're very speculative, because yeah, the gas fees are very high still. And I mean, in my opinion, it's just way too risky to buy at these levels over here. You're buying into extreme overextend levels. I mean, yeah, probably the FOMO is kicking in on your side, and you think, okay, Ethereum is right now a good buy, but you have to look at the chart as well, guys. 4-hourly giving us reversal signals, and we know that Ethereum has been ignoring the technicals lately here, but I still want to be raising the awareness. I definitely think you can be buying into different projects rather than Ethereum right now, because Ethereum is just not going to probably give you the best returns here. Because guys, you also have to know, current market capitalization $500 billion US dollars. And if you look to Cardano exactly, you can see $56 billion US dollars. The likelihood of Ethereum doubling from this point, it needs another $500 billion US dollars. And for Cardano to double from here on, it is only $56 billion US dollars. So of course, there's less money needed to double your initial in Cardano than Ethereum. So that's of course also the reason why you should be staying. You want to be careful. And of course, what is very likely to happen here is that money will be flowing out of Ethereum into these different altcoins. And of course, because there's already 500 billion in Ethereum, we can be seeing the pumps in the other big altcoin caps way higher and in a way faster pace as well here. So you have to be prepared of this, because I won't be surprised if, let's say, Cardano is just going to increase with, let's say, 40 or 50% a day here. We are, of course, currently at these stages, and you want to be prepared for it. So definitely very exciting days ahead of us, guys. And I can't wait to see what it will be doing like. And I mean, of course, we're definitely going to spend all this time together to see what the market is going to do here. So for me, I can't wait what it's going to do here. And I definitely feel very excited about it. I mean, yeah, Ethereum compared to Bitcoin, of course, still going higher, still going for a moonshot here. Of course, you don't want to be timing the top here, but you know it's overextended. And yeah, from the past, we know it can be going parabolic to the upside here, but is it really worth the risk to buy into it for the potential rewards? Because yeah, the potential reward on Ethereum is not that high, or let's say if you're talking about the potential reward on Chainlink or Cardano. So that is my reason why you should rather say. And maybe you're saying, okay, Rover, you're absolutely a fanboy of Cardano right now, but I mean, the chart is not lying, guys. The chart is not lying, and I like to look at charts what are giving me potential good rewards. And currently, I really like the scenario of Cardano. And guys, thank you so much for smashing it up to 52 likes as well here, 52 subscribers as well here. And by the way, guys, already having 736 watches. Thank you for tuning in here. And I see also a lot of requests for XRP coming in here. Is it going to pump? I'm still on my XRP trade, and I can be maybe getting it as well in the screen if you guys want me to. But let me search it up on my phone here real quickly, because yeah, my XRP trade is currently, let me see, 64% in profit here. So of course, XRP is absolutely going nuts here. And of course, I discussed what I was doing with my trade as well live here in this video. I was telling you guys that I opened it, and of course that it was adding more and more to my position once falling, and it was also definitely the strategy that I was utilizing. So we'll be going more into the XRP price action in a second, guys. But definitely very exciting what we can currently see for XRP. So I mean, oh, it doesn't smell that good here in my room right now. It's too. He did put some smell in my room, and right now it's extremely heavy, this smell to handle for me. So let me take a quick sip of my coffee. So guys, the Cardano is still looking healthy. Cardano broke out of the ascending triangle. Of course, the ascending triangle is going to push us towards new all-time highs anytime soon here. This, of course, yeah, it tends to create follow-through in a rapid pace here. But of course, it is still looking healthy. We're still going to see this price target definitely getting reached here within the coming week here. For me, no reason to say, there's no reason to say, okay, we're not going to reach it, because yes, we're definitely going to reach it anytime soon here. So Cardano is looking very valid, very healthy as well here. So I can't wait to see what we're going to do, and I definitely feel very excited about it. So yeah, Cardano can probably see some more momentum to the upside getting created as well. Everyone's saying low in the chat. Coffee smell. No, it's not the coffee smell. There was just a room cleaner over here, and he cleaned my room, and he put something in my room, and it smells absolutely terrible smell. I don't know what it is, but it's way too heavy. It's way like this. The smell is okay, but everything is okay if you don't do a lot of it. And he did a lot of it, and my room's, I can't even normally breathe in this room right now. So this is of course very heavy. But you can see here Cardano compared to Ethereum. This is of course the most exciting chart that I've been looking at recently for Cardano. And I mean, this is once again on the daily candles, guys. I've been discussing this every single day as well here, this chart. And we have not been seeing the breakout yet here. And I mean, like I tell you every single day, guys, the breakout can be coming anytime soon here. But I like to front run the market. I like to be here already into Cardano before we're going to see the significant breakout. And of course, right now, it is absolutely looking good here, in my opinion. Still looking valid. For me, there's no reason to really say, oh, Cardano is not going to move anything here. No, Cardano is still going to see this price target getting reached here on the top side, because yes, this is a bullish bias pattern, and the chances of breaking down of this pattern are very minor, and are very small as well here. So let me see what we're going to do here, but definitely I will be anticipating a move to the upside getting created. I don't anticipate a move to the downside here. So please, for me, there is absolutely no reason to say we are bearish currently on Cardano. For me, there's no reason to say we're going to break down here. And I should be still waiting for this potential breakout anytime soon here. So let's see what we're going to do here. But people are also saying we are having a bearish divergence on price action of Cardano. Yeah, we are currently having a very minor bearish divergence on Cardano. And of course, that's the thing that you want to be looking at. But this is really valid. We are just easily can be invalidating this one. This one is only 2 points approximately for bearish divergence. So Yes, we are currently forming a bearish divergence, but it's easily to invalidate. Let's say if the market was not so overextended, it is very easy to invalidate such a bearish divergence. So I mean, in general, this chart, of course, for Cardano compared to Ethereum, and this was also the chart that was, of course, giving me the opportunity to trade this in the past here towards the, yeah, of course, an approximately 90% move compared to Ethereum, because we were seeing the breakout of this very critical level of resistance over here. You can see we were breaking above it, finding very good support on it, and right now, of course, we still have to break above the level once again here, but yeah, the falling wedge scenario is definitely going to provide us the opportunity to trade this one to the upside, and of course, I can't wait to see what we're going to do. It's the Big Short. I mean, no. If it's going to be the Big Short, guys, they're going to have a Big Short squeeze. I know the movie. The movie is very good here from the Big Short. So also Cardano compared to Bitcoin. We are in price discovery, so for me, Cardano compared to Bitcoin is looking healthy. We're in price discovery, so yeah, there's no resistance what is holding us back here. We took out the previous high already. Yeah, currently you're finding support on this level. You closed above the daily, previous day highest daily close, then you're finding support on it, and right now it looks to be that you're moving up here, so it's looking very valid. Nothing very interesting currently playing out here. But in general, Cardano compared to Bitcoin, it is just looking very strong, very healthy as well here. So for me, there's absolutely no reason to say this is looking bad. This is just looking very healthy and very normal. And I mean, yeah, besides that, yeah, Cardano compared to USD Tether, this one is still yet to create follow-through. So yeah, I mean, Cardano is definitely going to reach this $4 in my opinion because of the Ethereum Cardano compared to Ethereum chart. So yeah, I mean, if you're going to miss out of Cardano right now, you're definitely going to miss out for a lot of potential rewards. But guys, let me know. Do you want me to talk about ICP here? Do you want me to talk about this coin here, internet computer, what it is currently doing? Let me know in the chat here, because then I can be talking about it, of course. If you want me to talk about this coin, to tell you guys what this coin is exactly, then I can go into it right now. But otherwise, I will be going into XRP really before. But either way, we're going to talk about XRP, guys, and either way, we're going to talk about ICP here. But if you guys really want me to talk about that coin, I can definitely do so. So what are these guys saying here? Hi mate, what do you think about the Chainlink compared to Ethereum pair? We'll be going into that in a second. I see yeses coming in here. I see a lot of yes coming in. You guys really want me to talk about it, so we'll be going into more depth about the XRP chart in a second, guys. But first, I will be talking a little bit about this new coin here, guys. Okay, so very important thing to know here is, yes, guys, there is a new coin. Yesterday, we were, of course, looking at CoinMarketCap, and I was also completely surprised. And I saw Internet Computer sitting here. Of course, it got launched here, and of course, it is also currently trading on Binance, Coinbase Pro, Huobi Global. So, of course, big exchanges that are also working together with this coin. But what are they basically doing? It is a very exciting project because they are trying to solve the layer 1 issue that we are currently having with the high gas fees, etc. And of course, you know here, layer 1 solutions, just like Ethereum and Bitcoin, you can be building projects on it. So just like the whole Ethereum network, a lot of DeFi projects are getting launched on it. But of course, there are a lot of issues with it because the gas fees are so high, etc. So let me go into the site here, because yes, I want to be going into the overview deck here, because there you can be reading all about what the project is doing here. And for me, it is very important to look at the project, what they are doing here, and what you can know here. If you search it up here, there are, of course, very exciting things here, because they have an insane team here, guys. They are having an insane team of 188 people that are currently working on this project. 188 people that are currently working on this Divinity slash internet computer project. So that is, of course, very exciting. And you can see over here, we have a brilliant team of engineers and researchers from the Academy, crypto, and world-leading technology organizations. So their members, they have been working at Google, Facebook, Uber, Intel, Samsung, Apple, Amazon, Microsoft. So all these big companies, and they're saying 189. I thought 188, but 189 people that are currently working on the project here. So of course, that are a lot of members, and you have to know, if you're talking like, let's say, these smaller cap altcoins, if they you know how much people that are working on these projects, maybe 8 or maybe 5 or so, and right now you have 189. So it's of course a very huge project, first of all. So that's of course very important to know how much people are working on a certain project, and of course they have a lot of experience as well, is at least what they're saying. So you can see also the companies that are currently backing the coin, because yes, the fund is pretty high, already sitting on 42 billion, right? So where did they cut all the money from? And of course, it's are from these different institutions that are of course also investing in it, because yes, there's a lot of capital raise for this coin here, because yeah, the project is very exciting. And you can see here Bitty, Electric Capital, Polychain is also investing in it. So there are a lot of investors, and you can become a member as well from it if you're very interested. Of course, I don't know if someone has an big net worth here that can be investing in it, but you can see over here the third great innovation in blockchain. And the reason why they're saying this is because, yes, like I told you earlier as well here, they're trying to solve the layer 1 solution. And you can see, of course, in 2009 Bitcoin getting launched to the first invention and trying to play the role of the digital gold. Then you have in 2015 you have the Ethereum getting launched here, the second invention for smart contracts, and of course it's powering the DeFi revolution. And it's just also a layer 1 solution. And you know currently, guys, that you have these layer 2 solutions like Polygon, like Matic, etc., to build a sidechain to still make cheaper transactions, because the transactions fees are extremely high currently on Ethereum, and layer 2 solutions are trying to solve it up here. And you can see in 2021 we are getting Divinity slash Internet Computer getting launched here, and they are basically saying reimagine how you build everything. So yeah, that's of course still a very, very minor thing that you know about it, because they talk more about it. And of course for me it's also the first time to really read good into this. And you can see over here the blockchain with seamless infinity capacity. So they say they have a lot of capacity as well. And let me go a little bit further, because this is not so interesting, but the most important part about it is over here, in my opinion, because you basically want to be knowing here what they're currently doing. So the blockchain is a complete alternate system from the traditional IT stack. So basically what they're saying here, they are building a blockchain. And if you're, let's say, building a coin, if you're a developer, of course I'm not a developer, but if you're a developer and you're building a coin on the let's say the Ethereum network, here's C20 chain, you have to be doing also all kinds of other things here. You have to be building VPNs, you have to be building an antivirus system, you have to be building firewalls, you have to be building database systems, etc., etc. And all these things are going to fall away, because Divinity, they already implemented in their developer system and in their blockchain. So that's of course very exciting. So it makes it easier for developers to develop a project on this coin. So that is of course very exciting. And you can see it once again over here, the developer is just only putting it into such a sidechain, how they call it, I think, a sidechain or a canister. They call it a canister, but it's basically a sidechain, and it's way easier to develop because it's already secured. Because it is already secured, and you can see over here they're also telling you about how the cycles works. But basically, guys, what this coin is here is that it is a layer 1 solution. So they're trying to solve it at the layer 1, not at the layer 2. They're not trying to build a sidechain. No, they're trying to completely rebuild the blockchain technology to make it cheaper and reliable and more safer. So of course there are a lot of scam projects also getting launched here, and they are saying this is a big issue for the cryptocurrency space here. They want to be solving it, and they're doing it with this layer 1 solution as well here. So what you can see over here, open internet services are controlled by tokenized government systems. So it's also a governance coin. So yeah, if you're a holder of it, if you're an investor in it, you of course also have you can also say something about what they have to do about the development. So if you're investing in it, you also have a part. You also have a saying into the project. So that's of course also very exciting. A thing that I definitely like here, and you can see it over here once again here. If you're an investor, you can also go over what they're of course going to develop, etc. So that's of course very exciting here. And I mean, you should be definitely looking into it yourself as well. But yeah, what it basically is here, it is a layer 1 solution. And it's just like, let's say you can be compared, if you're not very familiar with these terms, you can be basically comparing it with Ethereum. You can be basically comparing it with Ethereum, but only a revolutionary version of Ethereum, let's say that. And you can see it over here, 2016, they were founded, 3 research centers and 188 people. So, I mean, I definitely think it's a very exciting project, because they're working with so much people on it, and they're trying to of course compete with Ethereum as well here. And of course already I think it deserves its place in the top 10 here. And I should definitely say it's going to be a very exciting project, and you should be not standing still on this one. And of course it can be maybe seeing a pretty significant decrease before really going up once again, because yes, it has been just looking around the corner and tends to correct always once having a pretty of course being so successful. So let's see what it will be doing here. Don't want to be over exciting, and I mean, I think it's a very exciting project, and I'm looking forward towards it. And I mean, they're also working together with Polychain, so Also very good things that we are seeing, and I think it will be a very exciting coin, and a coin, and it will be I think as well, this coin will be also very known for everyone here. A lot of people will be knowing this coin, maybe not right now, but maybe in 2 or 3 years. I think this will be an ICP will be definitely a mainstream coin here, so make sure to keep your eyes out on it. Make sure to keep your eyes out on it. So what is going on? What is INNBC? It's a scam coin once again. Yeah, probably it is. So please be careful. Once people are spamming some coins in the chat here, you definitely want to be very careful with what they are saying here, because yeah, it tends to be a scam a lot here, guys. They tend to spam some coins and get you guys convinced in the chat here. So please don't be the one who's currently falling for it. You don't want to be the one who is falling for these stupid mistakes, right? So guys, thank you so much for already tuning in here. 900 people of you guys right now watching the stream, guys. Absolutely insane here. Make a video by INNBC here, man. I don't do videos just like that here. You want to be really giving me a good coin here. And besides that, I know Dean Harvey is currently saying me it's a scam coin, so I mean, I have to do double research on it before doing it. So yeah, I have to be looking into it. But guys, I can currently see we are having 277 likes, guys. Can we be smashing up another 23 likes here? Can we be smashing up another 23 likes? Because then, guys, if we're smashing up another 23 likes, we're going to reach the 300 likes, guys. Will be, of course, very amazing. Make sure to grab your phone. If you're watching on your phone, swipe it sideways and go to here and smash up that like button. Make sure to do so. That will be, of course, absolutely insane if you're doing so. I did it as well with my phone here, because my phone, I use it to monitor the chat here. And don't have an iPad yet here. I was going to buy, I was yesterday as well. I was at the Apple store. I was going to buy an iPad, because then I can use it as second screen here to monitor the chat a little bit better. But they were saying it is sold out here, and it will be coming, yeah, towards the 20th of May back in stock. So that is pretty unfortunate, right? So, I mean, it would be amazing if you're right now smashing up the like. Either way here, guys, will be just very amazing. But still, you have to know, I will be looking at the chat here, and people are talking about Medic as well here. But yeah, I see 343 likes, guys. You are always insane. Let me take a quick sip of my coffee before I'm going in depth about the price action of XRP, guys. Because yes, we are seeing XRP, of course, performing very good. XRP has been performing pretty good here, and we've been looking at this horizontal level as well over here. It's been providing us very good support as well, and I think it's definitely a very exciting level that we can be looking at. And of course, since touching this level, since also touching the supportive line over here of the horizontal of this upper sloping supportive line here, you can see we bounced pretty significantly to the upside. And people are still asking me about XRP. And I definitely feel very excited about it, because yes, this symmetrical triangle what we are currently unfolding here, I am of course already in my swing trade position. And I mean, this is a very significant symmetrical triangle. This is a very significant, it's a very beautiful plate one as well, because yes, guys, we currently are having 3 touch points on the lower side. We are having multiple touch points on the top side. You can see clear resistance is getting formed here. And already, the more times you're touching it, the more sell orders are already gone here. So already had a lot of touch points here. And I definitely think if we're going to get it right now, once again, we're definitely going to smash through it anytime soon here. Of course, we are definitely going to break out before the 18th of May. Of course, we tend to break out earlier than hitting the apex. So for me, at maximum, I do think that we're going to see a breakout within the coming 3 days here, especially because I feel very excited about Bitcoin currently. I think it can be also having a lot of influence on XRP. Well, can be, of course, pushing up the price a little bit. So yeah, I do feel very excited about it. I can't wait to see what we're going to do. I definitely think we can be moving up pretty significantly as well here. So let's see what we will be doing here. But in general, guys, I do think that we're going to see this, maybe $1.98 here getting reached anytime soon here. And of course, in the end of the day, my target is sitting right to $2.72 here. And like I told you before, because I average in on my position pretty nice here. My trade will be currently being almost 100% to the upside, and currently I'm utilizing 10x over here, so this will be approximately a 1000% trade, guys. Of course, I will be probably also upping my leverage if we're going to see the breakout over here. I will be probably upping my leverage and of course adding some more to my position, so I can be even riding this further and faster to the upside as well, because yes, I do think there will be insane vols we're getting created, and this will be one of my my legendary trades here, because yes, I think the returns on this XRP trade are going to be absolutely insane. And I mean, not a lot of people are currently talking about it, about XRP. I see in crypto YouTube in general. But I should definitely say to you guys, I was first of all, I was not a big fan of XRP, but I mean, seeing the market structure right now just makes me feel very exciting. And you know that we have been seeing this exact same structure previously as well here. And of course, once we were seeing the same structure previously, we were seeing approximately the same structure getting played out here. And let me draw this one correctly. You can see the same structure was getting formed here for XRP as well in the past. We were of course talking about this one as well. We were talking about the structure over here as well for the price action of XRP. And of course, this one was also giving us a very significant breakout, of course. And since seeing that breakout as well, we were moving very significantly to the upside. Since seeing the breakout from 50 cents, we were moving up 241%. And of course, we were anticipating that one as well on the channel. And right now, for everyone who missed that one, you're almost getting another chance here. And I mean, I'm getting very excited by XRP because this looks like a very good opportunity that we're currently getting. And of course, once we're getting a very good opportunity, I will be definitely embracing it. And currently, I'm trading this one on Femex and Bybit. I have 2 positions opened on 2 exchanges because I just feel very comfortable about it. I mean, my Bybit position is already a little bit better because my entry price was lower. But Femex position also right now approximately 60% in profit. I mean, you can see already from this point on here, it's approximately, 10%. It was a little bit higher, but approximately on the orange line is my entry price because I entered it higher, but of course added more once falling. So I pushed my entry price lower. So yes, this is very exciting to see. And I can't wait to see what we're going to do. And of course, I still anticipate that we're absolutely going to see this price target getting reached here. And guys, I see also that you guys are all massively hitting up the subscribe button. So it would be, of course, very amazing if you're smashing it up right now. Only 26 subscribers away before reaching the 41.5k. It would be, of course, very amazing if we can reach it today. But in general, I feel very excited about it. And for the people that are still willing to join me, you can be signing up with Bybit and you're getting a $1,000 deposit bonus and an $80 welcome bonus. So if you're already signing up here, guys, you're getting an $80 welcome bonus. So it would be, of course, very amazing if you're doing so. And besides that, guys, besides that here, with that deposit bonus, you can be even helping yourself to accumulate this position over here. Because yes, this will be one of my legendary trades here. And of course, I will be not hesitating to stay on the sidelines. And just like I told you as well here in the past there, I mean, I also opened my trade approximately on this level that we're currently trading on. But because we were falling to the downside, guys, I was adding more to my position. So I was averaging in better in my price, of course, because you can be, of course, affording a drop off in a certain chart. You can be affording a drop off in a certain chart, at least if you have some money aside. And then that was, of course, also a thing I was saying here, guys. Make sure to have that you have some money aside, because then you're, of course, averaging in on a very nice price. And of course, you can be helping to build up a bigger position and, of course, also a better entry price. So, like I told you before, a very important and interesting strategy, of course, that we are utilizing. And that will be, of course, also helping me to really write this one to new optimize. Because yes, guys, swing trading it sounds very easy, but it is, of course, very hard. And you have to know what you're doing here, because otherwise you're making, of course, mistakes. And I should really suggest maybe looking as well to this XRP trading opportunity. And I mean, guys, I don't want to be shilling once again, because yes, I was shilling on you guys once we were seeing, of course, this move towards the $1.98 getting traded, because yes, we were, of course, anticipating this one perfectly. And of course, I was anticipating that we're going to go to $3. But I mean, you can't say that I was saying to you guys, yeah, $2 is definitely a good take profit area already. And it was already a move of 231% here in just a matter of a few days. And definitely once XRP is going to break out here, we will be creating very quick follow through here. And I can't wait to see what we're going to do, because yes, in my opinion, so sorry, in my opinion, it's very, very exciting. And of course, let me see what we're going to see here. Let me see what we're going to see in the chat here, because I see some people talking about it. No, I completely appreciate Dean Harvey's hard work in the chat. Of course I do. But yeah, of course, very exciting what we're saying with XRP. And for me, probably we were going to see this move to the upside getting created. And of course, I don't want to be shilling, because I mean, this is such a significant pattern, of course, because we are seeing the top side and lower side getting supported very beautifully, and we're finding very good support and resistance on both sides here. So let me see what you guys are willing to have from me. So first, I will be going into the Tron request here. You want to be knowing from me, I don't particularly like Tron here. It's not one of my favorite coins here. But of course, I can be discussing it for you, my friend. I can be discussing it for you because you're requesting it. But yeah, what are we seeing here? Tron is definitely not looking good. Tron is definitely not looking good on the daily candles, because just like Bitcoin, you can see, of course, only for Tron it's the beginning. You're starting a downtrend on the RSI. So this, of course, first of all, providing you not buying opportunities, but rather selling opportunities, because yeah, you're starting a downtrend. And of course, once you're in a downtrend, you don't want to be buying, you want to be standing on the downtrend, because you don't want to be riding this one to negative. So As well on the MACD, you can see here lower highs getting formed here, lower high, so high getting created, lower high getting created, lower high getting created, lower low getting created as well. Right now having a bearish crossover on the daily. Tron is not looking good. Right away we'll be saying this, Tron is not looking good. It's looking particularly bearish, and you definitely want to be staying away from it. You definitely want to be staying away from it, okay? Even though that you're, of course, currently, you were creating over here a bullish divergence, because you were creating a higher low and a lower low in the price chart, so in the RSI, but I mean, so of course you were creating a bullish divergence over there. This is definitely, in my opinion, Tron is definitely not going to provide you a good buying opportunity right now. It is definitely looking extremely bearish here. And I should be really saying to you guys, Tron is not an asset that I already like here. So there's already one reason for me to say I should be staying away from it. And also seeing this chart over here, it's not looking particularly good here. Daily is overextended. Of course, the 4 hourly, yeah, I mean, you're getting support by the 50 moving average currently. This will be probably helping you to push maybe the price a little bit higher. Of course, right now this retest is not looking bad here. And of course, in exactly 15 minutes, we're going to close the 4 hourly candles. But I mean, I just don't feel very excited about Tron here, and I mean, it's not an asset that I like here. I only buy into coins that I truly like here, and Tron is definitely not one of these coins that I like here. So, please, yeah, I just don't like Tron here. It's just for me very hard to be positive about a coin that I don't like personally. So, I mean, yeah, on the daily, you're still in an uptrend, of course. You're still getting support by the daily EMA here, but yeah, you're creating lower highs and higher lows. So maybe you're creating some kind of continuation pattern. You're creating a continuation pattern, and let me see. Yeah, maybe you're creating a continuation pattern, and this can be maybe providing still a move to the upside, of course. But in general, I don't feel very excited about it. Yeah, you can be creating this upward sloping supportive line here. You can be also creating this upward sloping, downward sloping resistance line over here. And it can be maybe ending in an symmetrical triangle breakout here. But will this be really showing a significance? I don't necessarily think so. Let's see what we will be doing here. Hopefully we can be seeing a move either direction getting created. So guys, let me look into the next coin here, because yes, I want to be looking at some more coins that I truly like here. I mean, VeChain, I see a lot of VeChain getting requested right now. Yes, VeChain is an asset that I like, truly an asset that I like, but still, this is also an asset that I don't think that will be performing in our favor. I don't think that this VeChain, of course, will be performing in our favor. And people are saying, do you like Cardano? Yes, definitely I like Cardano a lot currently. I mean, definitely I like Cardano a lot here right now. And I mean, Cardano is definitely one of the assets that are probably going to give me very good returns. And of course, the potential risk that I'm taking on Cardano currently is not that high compared to, let's say, yeah, Tron or some other coins here, and as well for Ethereum. So I think, yeah, Cardano is definitely an asset that you can be currently buying into it if you're talking about risk/reward management here. So that is the reason why I should be saying, yeah, Cardano is definitely a good coin to buy into. And is Shiba a dump scam? I mean, I will be not saying that Shiba a scam is. I mean, I will be going into VeChain in a second, but guys, I will be not saying Shiba is a scam. But I will be saying you want to be staying away from it, because the ones who are right now buying into it, they are going to go to Rec City. And do you want to be going to Rec City? No. So I see a lot of YouTubers, of course, making videos about it, because that's probably a lot of people are searching it up on the internet, and people want to be knowing about it. So yeah, I do get it why people are hyping it up currently. But I mean, is this really a coin that I want to be shilling with? Is this really a coin that I want to be promoting here? No, because I do think that a lot of people are going to get wrecked. And once again, like I told you before, I'm sometimes just scrolling through Instagram, and I see people saying, oh, this coin Shiba is sitting on 1 penny and it's going to go to $1 because it's sitting so low. But guys, that doesn't matter. It's all about the market capitalization. So please don't get fooled because you think it's cheap. It's a meme coin. Meme coins tend to get, some people tend to get extremely rich with meme coins, and 90% tend to get extremely wrecked with meme coins. So you have to know approximately 60% of the total supply of Shiba is owned by 3 wallets. So of course, 3 people are having, probably it can be also just one person. And I even think it will be even more that just one person is owning here, and or one group is owning here. So please, you want to be careful. There are some people that are having a major influence on this coin, and of course it came out of nowhere, and right now sitting so high. You want to be careful. You're going to go you're absolutely going to get wrecked here if you're going to buy into it right now. I should really say to you, don't be buying into a coin that has been pumping so significantly in the past 7 days here. Don't be buying into a coin because like this, if a coin is going in 1500%, just like Ethereum Classic was increasing so significantly, don't be buying into these coins. But then, because then you're of course absolutely not going to make it here in the space, because then you're only going to get wrecked each and every time. But guys, thing that I currently want to be asking for, because yes guys, of course I don't want to be a bear on a lot of projects, but currently I have been discussing Tron and Shiba, etc. These are of course not my favorite projects, but you know on the channel that I'm here to help you guys and not get wrecked here, and that's the reason why I'm saying and giving you guys this information. But if you want to be doing something back for me, make sure to go right now below me, go hit that red button. If the subscriber button is still red, make sure to make it white here, because if you're smashing it up right now, you will be of course joining the most amazing channel here on the cryptocurrency space. And besides that guys, if you want to be ringing the bell notification, that would be of course very exciting. But guys, we're halfway through towards the 42k here. If you can be right now smashing up, and if we can be smashing up another 19 more subscribers, guys, we are reaching this insane target. It would be amazing if we can do so. Of course, yesterday we were getting blocked by YouTube the whole day here, so it would be amazing if we're right now smashing it up here. And don't forget to hit that bell notification, because guys, you know it. It is very important to hit it, because yeah, yesterday as well we were getting blocked, etc. And otherwise you don't find these amazing important updates. And because in my opinion, we were of course yesterday talking about Bitcoin, that we were thinking that it's going to move up higher because of that. So it's definitely worth to check out here. And guys, yeah, you are already smashing it up like never before here, but definitely you want to be hitting that bell notification, because then you're not missing out of these important videos. Because I was saying this as well here, this is your last chance to buy Bitcoin this cheap, and this is definitely true. This is of course maybe it's a very attractive title, but of course if you watch the video you also see my reasons why I do truly anticipate that Bitcoin is going to move higher. And of course guys, I have to use attractive titles, because otherwise you're not going to be successful on YouTube, right? So I mean it's truly a very good opportunity that you're currently still get with Bitcoin. I mean it's already been increasing since the video, so yeah, you want to be very careful of course, but definitely I will be never saying it's too late to buy into Bitcoin. But guys, yeah, I mean another 10 subscribers guys, let's see once we're going to reach it, but definitely feel very excited about it. So what are we seeing with VeChain? VeChain, of course, broke out of the symmetrical triangle here. We are seeing a move to the upside getting created currently. We were, of course, correcting once again because Bitcoin was. And, of course, we are finding support on this supportive line over here. And, I mean, yeah, the price target, guys, if I just purely look to the price target of the symmetrical triangle, we are going to see still this price target getting reached around to 32 cents here. This is purely a thing, because yeah, we are seeing the symmetrical triangle getting broken out here, and right now we are still anticipating another 53% surge to the upside to reach this price target. So yes, I truly still anticipate that we're going to reach it, but what are we going to see in the meantime? So I mean, I want to be very realistic, and in the meantime I'm going to take a quick sip of my coffee. I want to be very realistic with VeChain. And if I be very realistic with VeChain, guys, I do expect that we are probably going to see a new ultimate getting created. But once we're creating a new ultimate, you can see we're definitely going to create a huge bearish divergence, because yes, we were extremely overextended on the daily RSI previously. And you just want to be very careful, because yeah, in the past, if you're very overextended in the RSI, and of course if you're going to correct and go sideways and you're going to pump to new ultimates, you're just going to create a huge bearish divergence, and of course that will be just signifying that we are losing the strength here in the chart. And of course such a divergence are usually tend to play out, and because we're seeing these divergences, you usually tend to see also an momentum shift in the chart as well. So please be careful, because yes, what you can see over here as well, we already went parabolic to the upside after parabolic run-up, and we were of course calling this exact top as well here on the channel. Once you're consolidating at the top side of a parabolic run-up, you're probably going to correct very significantly. You want to be very careful. But right now, of course, just like Feta, etc. I know I've been in the space for such a long period of time already. I've been seeing this every single time, and I see people are buying into these coins over here, or people are buying at new all-time highs, and I don't want you guys to buy if we're sitting at new all-time highs for VeChain, because the bearish divergence that we are going to create is absolutely going to bring you to wreck city. So please don't be the one who's going to buy it all-time highs. I mean, yes, you can be still buying it, because yes, we're probably going to see a move to the upside and create, but is the potential risk worth it? I mean, I will be saying this, and I don't think that we're definitely going to make the most amount as well with VeChain, even though, guys, I love the fundamental worth of it. And sometimes I say, I mean, just ignore the chart, just buy into it because the fundamentals are looking very good. I mean, yes, the fundamentals are looking good for VeChain, but still I want to be raising the awareness, and I do expect here, to be very honest, to see a lot of consolidation before really seeing a new all-time high getting created. So please don't be over rushing this. Maybe we are even forming a bigger symmetrical triangle. There can be a probability that we're going to form a bigger symmetrical triangle. I mean, it won't be out of the books if we're going to form this one. So let's see what this will be doing. Let me redraw this one a little bit here. I mean, I can be redrawing it every single day here, but let's see what it will be doing. Like, hopefully we can be still seeing a breakout. Yes, I still anticipate that we're probably going to see a new ultimate getting created, but once seeing a new ultimate getting created, I think the drop-off will be there very quickly. Just like, I mean, this chart is really reminding me on Feta, like I told you guys before as well on the channel. Guys, you want to be knowing and you want to be familiar with the chart as well here. You look at the parabolic run-up, what Fed was getting created. Of course, I felt very excited about Fed, like you guys know on the channel. But once seeing, of course, consolidation going around here, minor correction, pump to a new all-time high, and you can see an insane bearish divergence was getting formed here. You just want to be saying over here, okay, I want to be going out of it because I don't want to be going to right direct city. So, of course, that is the thing that I want to be saying to you guys as well here. Yes, of course, it can be going way higher. In the end of the day, yes, I feel excited about the long term, but is the coming 60 days good for VeChain? Not necessarily. I don't think that the coming 60 days are extremely, exciting about it. So let's see what it will be doing here. Hopefully we can still be making very good gains with it. I'm still holding it as well, but if we're going to create this bearish diversion on the top side, I should definitely say, I should be definitely taking some profits, because yeah, I will be not going all out. I will be never going all out of it, because yeah, you never know what's going to happen. Of course, it's of course only technical analysis, and sometimes a chart in a bull run can just ignore the technicals. But in the end of the day, it's more likely to see a correction at that point. So please be careful once we're seeing a new all-time high getting created. And of course, probably we will be discussing it at the moment once we're creating a new all-time high. But just want to be raising the awareness already. But guys, I just quickly want to be checking this. Only another 4 subscribers. Another 4 subscribers before reaching the 41.5k, guys. Would be extremely amazing if you're right now smashing up. If you're right now smashing up this like button and smashing up the subscribe button, that would be of course absolutely insane here. Can we reach the 41.5k right now? That will be of course very amazing, guys. Oh, only 3 subscribers right now, guys. You guys are insane. Would be amazing if you right now can smash it up. I will be definitely looking forward towards it. So guys, also another supportive donation from the bakery coming in here. Hey, hey Dan, good morning from Amsterdam. Absolutely insane that you're tuning in from Amsterdam. Good morning from Dubai as well, man. What about the Bitcoin gold valuation? Oh wait, you're not talking about the valuation. You mean, what about Bitcoin gold? Is it an interesting project? I mean, for me, I already don't like once projects have like Bitcoin in their name, because I think that is not very exciting in my opinion. For me, I'm not very familiar with this project. For me, I'm not exactly familiar with this project. So it's been increasing very significantly. It's been here around as well here 2017. I know in 2017 there you have Bitcoin Cash, you have Bitcoin Satoshi Vision, you have a lot of these Bitcoin projects, and I mean, this is of course very exciting to see here, and let me quickly check up if we reach 41.5k. Yes, guys, we definitely did so. So thank you so much for hitting it up to 41.5k. Guys, you are the best. You guys are amazing. That was a quick thing that I want to be saying to you guys. Really amazing, guys. Really amazing. So Bakery Guard, what do I exactly think about the bakery? For me, it's very hard to give my opinion about because I don't know what it is. Probably it just. Let me see. I don't know if it's exactly something else. It's built on the Bitcoin blockchain here. Yeah, I don't know exactly what it is currently doing here. So, I mean, I mean, for me to really give my opinion about it, I would want to be knowing what the project is doing. I will be not doing my online my live research on it like I did with Definity, but right now I will be. Yeah, I mean, for me it's very hard to say what it's going to do, my friend. BTG. Let me look at the chart real quickly for you, my friend. Maybe, of course, if a chart is providing me buying opportunities, I will be always saying, yeah, you can be buying into it. This is just not a chart that I do like to see here. But I mean, I don't have these coins with Bitcoins in their name as well here, because I just don't like coins that are just with the name is already for me not attractive, because yeah, I mean, of course, not necessarily names are important, but yeah, I know Bitcoin, Satoshi Vision, etc. These coins, they were pumping, but yeah, the projects were absolutely ass. So I mean, for me, it's very hard to give my opinion what this project is exactly doing. Currently forming and rising wedge warrior, currently also creating a lower high on the RSI. So yeah, what you can see over here, lower high getting created here on the RSI, higher high created on the price chart, creating an insane bearish divergence. So that's of course a standing opportunity, what you're currently getting, a very bearish signal that you're getting as well here. So yeah, let's see what it will be ending like. But I mean, not necessarily a coin that I like, man. Not necessarily a coin that I like. So guys, you are absolutely smashing it up right now. So this is of course absolutely insane here. So also GP Textile is saying EOS in the chat here. Let me go into EOS for you, my friend. Of course, very exciting, EOS. When ADA hits $20, I will be buying a Lambo, guys. I mean, then you can definitely buy a Lambo. But I mean, once again, guys, one thing that I want to be asking to you guys, because, oh, I'm sorry. One thing that I want to be asking to you guys, do you think it is smart to buy? I mean, like Warren Buffett, he has so much money, but he doesn't buy a Lambo. because he's investing. I mean, do you really want to be buying a Lambo? Do you want to be really enjoying life, or do you want to be investing more? Let me know right now in the chat here. Do you, even though if you have, let's tens of thousands of, now let's say you have 10 million, will you be buying a Lambo if you have 10 million, or will you be investing more? Let me know in the chat. I'm very curious what you guys think about that, because of course that's very important to know. I think of course Warren Buffett, he has billions of US dollars, and he still drives a very poor car, you know. He did that. So of course, this is of course also a thing that I truly like about him, etc. He has so much money, but he doesn't really spend it because he's always investing. Let's see what you guys are saying. No Lambo, invest more. Lambo, I see really mixed feelings. Of course, it's very personal what you like. Of course, I like Lambos as well, guys. I like Lambos as well. But am I really going to drive a Lambo myself? I don't know. Maybe I will, of course. Maybe I will. But I mean, very hard to say what is exactly the best strategy for me. I mean, let's say I'm only 20 years. Of course, I'm let's say halfway through 21s already. But for me, my life is so long here. I will be always being investing, right? If I had $1 billion, then I will be buying a Lambo. I mean, I see a lot of people are saying waste of money, Lambo. I mean, yeah, guys, you have to know I truly like Lambos, but I should definitely also say you should definitely let the money do the work for you. And of course, buying a car is of course always the worst investment to do here. I know buying a car is not a good investment, and because yeah, you're basically, once you're buying a Lambo as well, you right away lose 40% of your investment or 30% of your investment. And I mean, yeah, let's see what you are doing. And of course, I think it's very funny because there's a lot of mixed feelings right now in the chat here. And sell BTC, buy land. I mean, I will be never selling my BTC. You can't drive money. That's true. And of course, driving a car is of course very exciting. Just Lambo. I see a lot of mixed feelings. So people are saying retire at 20, guys. I mean, I can be the point here is yeah. I mean, once I'm 21, I can probably already retire here. But the point here is, guys. The point here is, do you want to be doing nothing in life? I want to be having a purpose as well here. And of course, I mean, I get a lot of I get a lot of my feeling of I feel very well done with doing YouTube, because I feel like I'm really helping some people, so that's of course very exciting for me. And yeah, that's the reason why of course it will be never stopping, because what are you going to do in life if you do actually absolutely nothing? Of course, you always want to be working on something, because otherwise life is not funny. So definitely will be not stopping with YouTube anytime soon here. And I mean, I truly love it as well to build a community, to help people, and that's of course the reason why I'm doing this. You guys have to know this, guys. It's very important to know. But let me go into EOS. I mean, this was a quick talk with you guys to just talk about what you guys are going to do with the insane gains here. Are you going to take profits? Are you going to invest more, or are you going to buy a Lambo? Of course, it really depends on your financial situation. But even though, let's say you're also young and maybe you made 50k or so. Let's say you made 50k. Are you going to invest it more, or are you going to give out your money to stupid things here? I mean, for me, I will be always I just, it's always bad to invest more. If you're going to give out money but you could have invested, it always feels bad, in my opinion. So, of course, let's see what I'm going to do. Buy Dogecoin. I mean, of course, Dogecoin has been performing very good. Buy Dogecoin. Because it's literally going to the moon, of course. So, let me see. I will be, yeah, 2 Lambos. I mean, yeah, guys, of course, absolutely insane what you guys are thinking. But let me discuss a little bit of EOS. So I mean, EOS currently on the 4-hourly time frame, and this is not looking good here. EOS creating a bearish divergence over here. You can see here lower high getting created on the RSI, higher high created on the price chart. I mean, EOS has been moving pretty significantly to the upside, and I see a lot of the watchers are very interested in EOS currently. And I do get why here, because yes, it's been performing just very well here. And of course, I like to see once a coin is performing well for you guys, because I'm not exactly buying into EOS, because I just don't think it's going to give me the good best returns from the point that we're currently at. I mean, it's currently creating a bearish divergence on the daily and a bearish divergence on the 4-hourly as well. And Dean Harvey, you're saying to me, check crypto.com, so I will be going into crypto.com in a second here. But I mean, EOS is just not looking particularly good at the moment here. It was looking healthy, but over here you were also creating a bearish divergence. So you were creating a bearish divergence over here, and you can see what it ends like. So I mean, I definitely should be saying the same once again here. Bearish divergence getting formed here, but I mean, as long as Bitcoin is going to increase in valuation, this bearish divergence will be getting ignored, and probably will be we will be still moving higher, in my opinion. So yeah, I mean, yes, we're creating a bearish divergence right now, but will this be definitely pushing down the price? Not necessarily, in my opinion, not necessarily. And I mean, yeah, of course, this one is pretty significantly on the 4-hour. So that's of course the thing that you want to be looking at as well. If you look to the MACD, yeah, you're probably, yeah, you can see definitely we're forming a lower high structure here and also a lower low than this previous low over here. So this of course is identifying that we're starting a new downtrend since this point over here. So I mean, yeah, even though that we are in downtrend, we went higher and right now losing buying strength. So I mean, this looks to be the last pump here. So for me, it doesn't necessarily look extremely good here in my opinion. So yes, I should say to you, is it smart to buy into EOS right now? Not necessarily. Is it smart to hold EOS if you're just an holder? Yes, I could still say yes here, but I mean the potential risk of seeing a big drop off in EOS is also very high because of this extreme bearish divergence on the 4-hourly time frame. So yeah, you want to be very careful. You want to be very careful with this one. So let me see. You guys are all smashing it up once again here. 22 already. I can't see the donation of Robert, guys. This is such annoying. I don't know. It's probably something with my PC, with my laptop. I can't see it. Robert, I will be going into it as soon as we are getting the next request. I can be looking here to your donation, Robert. So give me a moment. So guys, this is absolutely insane. This is absolutely insane. We already smashed it up to 500 likes and we're just 1 hour in the stream, guys. This is absolutely insane. You guys are always smashing it up so significantly. Thank you so much. Don't thank you so much for hitting up that subscriber button. So I see. Oh, I know what your request was. I think you were saying bearish divergence on Cardano. I think I saw it a moment ago. So let me go into Cardano once again. You're saying bearish divergence on Cardano. So on the 4-hour, yes, we are currently forming a bearish divergence. But guys, I mean, yes, I think it's very important to look at bearish divergence. But look at the difference at the bearish divergence on EOS. Look at this bearish divergence. This first of all is over a bigger time frame. There's a bigger time in front of it. And besides that, it's a very significant one because here we're sitting 88 in the RSI index, and right here is 74. So it's approximately and the 14 points difference. And with 88, it's only a few points difference. And besides that, it is also on a very minor scale here. So I definitely should be saying to you guys, yes, of course, you want to be careful with the bearish divergence playing out. But can we be easily invalidating this one? Yes, we can definitely. So for me, there's no reason to extremely worry about it. And I mean, if you look as well, because on EOS, it's also bearish divergence, extreme bearish divergence on the daily. And here with Cardano, you can see we're only seeing a bearish divergence by 2.5 points here for the RSI index. So is this easy to invalidate? Yes, definitely. And we can be easily going higher and of course invalidate this bearish divergence. So that's the reason why I'm not taking this, why I'm taking this bearish divergence with a grain of salt currently. So I have to reload my page once again because sometimes it glitches. And yeah, I mean, I'm still also having in the back of my mind my ADA compared to Ethereum chart. What is of course looking the most bullish of all of them. So that's of course the reason why I'm not really necessarily freaking out over here. And of course, I still will be saying, yeah, it's looking good here. It's looking good, and that's of course very important to look at as well here. So Doge haters, no, I'm definitely not a Doge hater, my friend. I'm definitely not a Doge hater. And you want to be knowing it because I truly like Dogecoin. I just don't. I mean, I truly like it, and I mean, I was like I was talking about Dogecoin over like at these ranges around 7 or 8 cents after this pump in the beginning, and we were talking about. Imagine if you can be buying a Tesla with your Dogecoin investment one day, and right now, of course, Elon Musk was tweeting. If you go to his if you go to his page over here. And right now he was saying, of course, do you want Tesla to accept Dogecoin? And it was, of course, very exciting, of course, to see. And, of course, everyone is saying yes here. And, of course, more than almost 4 million votes here. So, I mean, I know I was saying back then here, I was saying, okay, you want to be careful with Dogecoin. But I also swapped my mind already before this insane run up here for 420. I was already swapping my mind to saying, yes, guys, I mean, you just want to be holding Doge for purposes of like, it's a coin flip. It's a coin flip because yes, it's Dogecoin. You never know what's it going to do. But I mean, what if you can be buying your Tesla with it? And I mean, that was also my reason to say only buy Dogecoin with money you can be affording to lose, because yes, it has a potential risk as well attached to it. So please, still will be saying it. You want to be careful if you're buying into Dogecoin. And of course, it's a big risk if you're going to buy into it. But definitely, is holding Dogecoin fun? Yes, definitely, it's fun. Is it fun to be a part of the community? Yes, of course. So that is, of course, the reason why I'm holding it. I mean, I want to be a part of the community. I know, guys. I know Dogecoin is the coin of the people. What Elon Musk is also saying it, and I truly believe in it. So that is the reason I'm holding still my Dogecoin. And of course, I sold it at the top a little bit here, bought back again. I mean, I'm playing with my Dogecoin as well here. I see it more as play money, not necessarily as a good investment, because yes, we know that Dogecoin yeah, it's not necessarily a good investment, but it's getting pretty serious, of course, because it was seeing an insane increase of approximately 1200% from this point. I mean, my minor investment, of course, it's pretty big right now, and I mean, I wish I invested more, of course, but that's always in hindsight. But I was also always saying to myself here, only invest money in Dogecoin what you can be affording to lose. So that's the reason why I did so. So of course, I mean, yeah, we could have anticipated and we could have gone all into Dogecoin, but was it smart to go all into Dogecoin? No, definitely not. So that's of course once again risk management. So yeah, you made gains. Are the most amount of gains? No, not the most amount of gains here. But am I happy with the gains that I made? Yes, definitely. So let me go into Crypto.com because Dan Harvey, I see it. I see you're asking me about Crypto.com. So first, let me go into Crypto.com compared to Bitcoin. This is quite shocking here right away. We'll be saying this, and of course, I completely forgot it here to discuss it. So Crypto.com, not necessarily looking good here. Closed below. Yesterday we closed below the. Yeah, this important level of daily support. We closed below it, but right away we bounced back to the upside, of course. And this new daily candle close, we closed above it once again here. And yeah, this is of course very exciting here. That we, I mean, I have to reload my trading view real quickly because it's absolutely glitching like never before here. Let me see if it's working once again right now. Yeah, it should be working right now. I mean, it's been glitching for me a little bit here, so let me reload it real quickly. Hopefully it's working right now once again. So I mean, Crypto.com, of course, the Crypto.com to compare to Bitcoin close, not necessarily good here on the daily candles. Of course, we bounce back higher. And yeah, like I told you before, Crypto.com is definitely an asset that's going to follow Bitcoin. And I mean, yesterday we were talking about it and about this 0.5 close here. And I was talking about it. That if we're going to close below the 0.5, this will be quite shocking for Crypto.com. But if we still can be managing to close above it, it will be at least still a little bit good here because we're still at least holding on to the supportive horizontal line. And we're at least not starting a new lower low structure, because if we're going to close below it, we're definitely starting a lower low structure where we are right now still in a higher low structure. So yes, the structure is not necessarily looking bad in the US dollar valuation. Of course, the structure in the Bitcoin valuation is a little bit worse, to be honest. I mean, I want to be seeing more increasements over there as well. I mean, probably if I compare it to Crypto.com compared to Ethereum, it is even looking worse. But yeah, right now, guys, we're trying to re-enter, of course, as well this, this symmetrical triangle. But you can see over here, already a few hours ago, we were getting a rejection. And of course, I think it's a very hard job to re-enter this channel. But if we can be re-entering this channel, this will be, of course, very beneficial. Let's see what it will be doing here. But of course, the people that are buying into it right now, I mean, I should definitely say that you still have a very good opportunity to buy it, because, I mean, the reasons why I'm saying so, and the reason why I'm also not selling, because first of all, I'm staking it. I can't even sell it. And the reason why I'm staking it as well, guys, is because I am here in Crypto.com for the long term. I don't care what it's going to do here in the immediate short term. I absolutely don't care if it's going to go sideways for even longer, because yes, of course, first of all, my initial investment is already 3x from here on. And besides that, I know that Crypto.com is going to do more token burns, and of course, a token burn will be very beneficial for the price action of Crypto.com, and that will be probably maybe also starting up a new rally up here. So, of course, I think you can be expecting an insane token burn anytime soon here, because, guys, you know, there are multiple reasons why I'm buying into Crypto.com. They are having one of the best marketing teams there. They are having such a good marketing team. They know what to do. They know how to invest. They know how to build a big project. They have a big developer team. They also previously launched their mainnet. They're trying to build more NFT projects on it. They're fully focusing themselves currently on the NFT space. And I think, yes, guys, the NFT hype, it started previously, the NFT hype, but is it over yet? Definitely not. NFT hype is definitely not over. It's just getting started, but once again, it always tends to move in waves there. And I definitely think if the next NFT hype will be here, Crypto.com will be very beneficial from it, because there are a lot of coins getting launched, a lot of NFT projects getting launched on the mainnet of Crypto.com. And you have to know, it previously just got launched there. And you know, with BNB as well, once were launching their mainnet, it took a while before really blasting up here, because it takes a while to completely install everything and to get everything rolling. You have to know that. So, I mean, yes, I mean, my investment for Crypto.com is definitely for the long term, and I don't exactly care what it's going to do in the immediate short term. Yeah, maybe you're saying, oh, I wish I was holding a different asset. I mean, yeah, it's if the different asset was giving you better returns, okay, that's unfortunate. But for me, probably if I look to the 10 years returns, probably it will be Crypto.com that's going to give me more returns than VeChain, or that's going to give me more returns than another project or so. That you can be comparing with Crypto.com, maybe UOB token or so. So And definitely very exciting. I think it will be very cool to see where Crypto.com will be standing here in 10 years, because yes, it's of course a very big exchange, what is only growing and growing, and that is the reason why I'm investing in it, and of course holding it for the long run here. So I mean, yes, it's very important to see. It's a pretty badly performing recently, but I know there are very bright days coming towards us, and I will still be saying this in this coming bull run. It will be still performing very well. I mean, $1, guys. You're maybe thinking, oh, we're not going to reach it because it's been performing poor and poor and poor. Because guys, the longer we're going to consolidate over here, the more significant the run up will be as well. Here you can see it tends to consolidate quite a long, and the point here is you can also not leverage trade Crypto.com, so there will be no market manipulation. So that's also a very important thing that you want to be knowing. So it doesn't go up in such a straight line here unless there are a lot of buyers at once. You don't get short squeezes, you don't get long squeezes, but definitely, for me, it's just a long-term hold here, and we will be seeing where it will be standing at the end of the day here, after a year or so. But I will definitely will be still saying this. I mean, the $1 is easily getting reached here on this coming bull cycle. I mean, it's only 5x, and of course, because there's only getting more and more money into the space, it is easier to reach this target here, in my opinion. And I mean, currently trading off P44, it's sitting pretty low, of course, but I definitely think it is extremely undervalued. It was already undervalued, but right now it is even more undervalued, in my opinion. So definitely should not be selling right here, because if you're selling right here, yeah, you're basically selling cheap, and of course I don't like to sell cheaper. So still will be saying I feel very excited about it, even though that we're seeing the breakdown of symmetrical triangle. This of course in the immediate short term on daily candles. We can even re-enter this channel as well here. Let's see where the daily candle will be closing here. Hopefully it can be moving up a little bit more. And yeah, let's see what it will be going towards, guys. I still will be saying this. I mean, I just like the project. I just like the project. And for me, it's also a long-term hold. And I mean, like I told you before, I'm staking Crypto.com because I have no thoughts of selling it right here. No thoughts of selling it right here. And people are saying top 3 altcoins to buy right now. And I mean, top 3 alts to buy right now. Guys, do you want me to have a top 3? Do you want me to have a top 3? Let me know. Let me know if I right now have to drop a top 3 here. And for me, in order to drop a top 3 here, guys, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Because then, if we're going to reach the 550 subscribers, guys, I will be dropping my top 3 picks at this current moment. Let me know if you want me to give it, because if we're going to reach the 550 subscribers right now, guys, I will be giving my top 5 my top 3 picks here that I should currently pick, and of course I will be also giving my arguments with it in terms of charts, of course. And I mean, probably you know already 2 of them. You probably know already 2 of them, because 2 of the coins that I should will be picking here, because I already have them in mind, are coins that I've been talking about a lot here. And I mean, like I told you before, I just don't talk about these coins for no reason, guys. I just don't talk about these coins for no reason. So make sure to smash up the subscribe button. Only another 22 subscribers before we're going to give our top 3 picks here. Let's do it. So did you already discuss ICP? Yes, I did. You have to go to the beginning of the video here. So top 3 in the next month, which will be growing. I mean, I can't give you my top 3 for the month of June, because I mean, we're just starting off with May, and of course near the end of the month everything can be changing. So yes, guys, by the end of the month I will be making a video to give you my exact thoughts, what I think about the coming month of June. So of course that's a thing that I should be definitely doing here. Link, ADA, and yield. I mean, yeah, you're very close. I mean, yield app. I mean, of course, yield app is always a top pick for me. Yield app is always a top pick. But I mean, I will be in a second. I will be discussing bigger altcoin caps. But yeah, definitely if you're looking for a gem, I mean, of course, yield app is definitely an asset that I should be looking at, because yes, yield app is truly a gem, because it is sitting at 74 million market cap only. And of course, it's been increasing once again. It's been consolidating around 75 cents approximately. You can see over here, past days, it's been consolidating a little bit around these levels here. Of course, it's the 7-day candles. It's been going up. It's been going down here. It's been, yeah, going sideways, basically. But like I told you before, guys, you know, if you go to the site, by the end of Q2, they're going to launch their Bitcoin fund. Bitcoin fund is going to be giving this coin exponential growth here. So yeah, I mean, I should be really saying, if you're looking for insane gains here, you should be still accumulating right now, because yeah, the coming month of May, near the end of the month of May, beginning month of June, near the end month of June. So let's say the end of Q2, of course, will be very exciting for YLD here, and I should definitely say to you guys, you want to be looking at my you want to be definitely looking into this coin. And I always say to you guys, don't trust me, do your own research, because if you're doing your own research, you probably think, yes, this is a very exciting coin, Crypto Rover, and I do get why you feel so excited about it. So yes, guys, I don't discuss this coin every single day for no reason. I don't discuss this coin to get you guys wrecked. No, I'm trying to discuss this coin every single day because I want you guys to truly gain a lot from it. So of course that's a very important thing that you want to be knowing here. So will altcoins drop when Bitcoin starts pumping? I mean, don't necessarily. I don't necessarily think that altcoin is going to drop when Bitcoin is going to pump here, because I think, yeah, altcoins will be definitely following. But let's say if you know, once the news was coming out that Tesla was buying Bitcoin, you saw just purely Bitcoin pumping and the altcoins weren't. I think that is more likely to happen. I don't think that the altcoins will be bleeding once Bitcoin is pumping. No, I think just that there will be more momentum shifting to Bitcoin. And I think the period for Bitcoin will be coming, guys, because maybe you think it's impossible right now because you see what is always happening. Maybe you think it's impossible. But always, once everyone thinks, okay, I have to buy into altcoins right now because Bitcoin is not doing anything altcoins are, it will be Bitcoin that will be pumping. After that, it will be the altcoins. And probably the dumb money is going to buy Bitcoin while it is pumping, and the smart money is buying altcoins while Bitcoin is pumping. Probably. So, I mean, yeah, you want to be knowing how it works, guys. 1,031 viewers, but only 586 likes. Bro, guys, you are disappointed. I mean, a player, that's absolutely already insane, right? I mean, let me check it up. Let me check. 518 likes. You're 86. You're 518 likes, I see currently. And I mean, the chat is, of course, going nuts always. I can't see the request from GP over here. What are you requesting? Of course, I have to load a little bit here. But guys, let me know if you have some requests for me here. But yeah, guys, of course, we're having insane amounts of likes once again here. I liked in the first minute. You are an absolute legend, bro. Get rich quicks. Get rich tips. I mean, I can't give you any financial advisor. Of course, you have to know it. But in my opinion, I mean, get rich quick. That would not be your mindset. If your mindset is get rich quick, no, that's not good. That's not good, man. You want to be thinking. I think getting rich quick is a very bad mindset. At least that's not my mindset, and I think it's a bad decision to do. And people are saying for the top 3, guys. I want to be giving my top 3, but guys, we need another 10 subscribers to get. If you want me to give my top 3 picks here for yeah, the coming week at least, for the coming period at least, we need another 10 subscribers. Okay, guys, will be amazing if we can smash another 10 up here, because then I can give you my thoughts exactly about my top 10 here. So sorry, top 3 here. So another 10 subscribers, I think we can be reaching it anytime soon here. So let me see what the chat is saying. What do you think about Dogecoin? We're actually going to retest the auto buy anytime soon here. I mean, I already gave my thoughts about Dogecoin a moment ago. That I think it's a coin that I want to be holding because you never know why, but I think it's still a coin flip and that you don't want to be going all in on it. So come on with your top 3. Yeah, guys, I want to be reaching the targets as well. How do you feel about Luna Rover? I will be checking the subscriber count in a second, guys. I'll be checking it in a second. Did we already reach it? Oh, only 7. Only 7. Like, guys, I know you guys can do it. I know you guys can do it. What do you think about Luna? I don't know exactly what I have to be thinking about it. I mean, what you can currently see here right away is that we are starting a downtrend on the RSI. So yes, it is looking to be cooling off here. And look at the insane. This is an insane bearish divergence. Like you're setting a high clearly and lower high over here. So insane bearish divergence getting formed here. And yeah, currently you're also seeing downward sloping resistance line getting formed over here. Definitely pushing down the price here. Of course, maybe you can be also spotting an upper sloping supportive line over here. This would be, of course, very exciting if we can be seeing a breakout anytime soon here. So yeah, I mean, I'm looking very forward towards it, and I definitely think we can be seeing a breakout anytime soon here. So hopefully we can be seeing some more momentum for Luna towards the upside. But you have to know the RSI in the daily is still definitely in a downtrend. Probably going to go up a little bit more here. And I should be really saying you want to be careful because, yeah, it was previously very overextended. And, of course, once the coin was very overextended and it has been cooling off, it will be even creating bigger bearish divergence. So, I mean, let me also identify the MACD real quickly for you, my friend, on the 4 hour, because, yeah, I already saw the dailies right away still in the downtrend. Was also very expected because you can see it right away also already playing out in the chart. 4 hourly is also not necessarily looking good here because you can see lower highs getting created here, but you are creating higher lows. So basically it's still going sideways and it has not really decided its direction. I mean, sellers are losing strength here. Sellers are losing strength here and buyers as well. So I mean, we have to call a direction anytime soon here. I can't really give you an exact direction. I mean, for the immediate short term, it looks to be that we're probably going to go more to the upside because, yeah, we're starting a leg up here. So, I mean, I should say to you, yeah, I mean, I think it will be rather going up here for the immediate short term. But yeah, the daily is still looking very bearish. And of course, the 4 hourly can easily also reverse once again to the downside. So for me, it's very hard to give my opinion about Luna. But guys, let me see If we reached it, yes, guys, we reached it. We smashed up exactly 550 subscribers. So, guys, let me give you my top 3 here. And yes, I will be definitely picking YLD as well here. But is this really the one? This I will be picking YLD because I think I will be picking one gem. I will be picking one gem and 2 coins that is more safe. I mean, I still will be saying this one is safe because otherwise I don't buy into it. But yeah, YLD is definitely one of my assets. And I mean, I will be not giving you exactly all my arguments about it, because if you want to be knowing my arguments, we'll be probably making as well a dedicated video about it anytime soon, because I have not really done it before, but I do feel very excited about it. So I will be doing that, because then, guys, I don't have to be saying it every single stream, and I can just say to you guys, watch this video. So I mean, you know that I feel very excited about it because I love the fundamentals of it, and you should definitely read it yourself as well. And I mean, my other 2 picks here are very, very exciting. I mean, I've recently, you know that I've been talking a lot about Cardano, and I mean, the Cardano compared to Ethereum valuation is one of the most important valuations that I'm currently looking at, and I'm currently looking for a breakout anytime soon here. So yeah, I mean, my second pick will definitely be Cardano here. Cardano is definitely an asset that you don't want to be missing out here for the coming weeks, especially. And of course, this is one that is really a good pick here for the immediate short term here. Because yes, I think you can be doubling your initial in a very rapid pace here. And I know people are getting very excited about Ethereum, but you know, Ethereum market capitalization currently sitting on 500 billion, where Cardano is only sitting on 56 billion. So yes, guys, it can be if Cardano was previously almost was almost the same amount of worth of Ethereum in the past. It was very close, and right now it's 10 times as small. So I mean, if it's going to go towards the level of Ethereum, of course we're going to see a 10x, and it will be worth $11. Is it doable? Definitely. I definitely think that yes, Cardano can be reaching the target. But yeah, to say right now what it is going to do here, to give you my thoughts here, yes, I think it will be easily going to go towards the $4, and that's the reason why you can be doubling your initial, because of the ADA compared to Ethereum chart, looking to break out anytime soon here. I do feel very excited about it. Cardano has a big army behind it. It has the fundamentals as well behind it, and I mean, yeah, the US dollar chart is at least still looking for the breakout here, and people are saying bearish divergence, but this is not a very significant bearish divergence. We will be definitely seeing this price target getting reached here. At least the $2.04 is the level that we're going to reach here in at least the coming week here. By the end of the week, we're definitely going to reach it, in my opinion, unless Bitcoin is really going to freak out here. So, I mean, if you're willing to spot trade some Cardano, I should definitely say, I mean, even though you're trading at all-time highs, I don't think it's necessarily a bad buy here. Cardano compared to Bitcoin also looking healthy. Yeah, price discovery here. So yeah, I mean, guys, you want to be knowing how it works here, and crypto altcoin cycle. Like you just search this up on the internet. You just search this up on the internet, and guys, you see this over here. I don't wait. Do you see this one on the screen? Yeah, you can see it right now on the right of the screen. You can see it over here. How does it work here? You see here the money flow in Bitcoin, in crypto. You see first the money goes into fiat. Sorry, the fiat money goes into Bitcoin, goes into large cap. So let's say Ethereum, and money goes into Ethereum. Money and profits from Ethereum flows into these different mid caps like Cardano, etc. And after that, of course, once we are seeing the cycle getting completed, we see the money from Cardano and these other mid/high caps flowing into these minor altcoins. So I mean, definitely the cycle, guys, tends to repeat itself like always here. So for me, I should definitely say to you guys, I mean, you have to know how it works here, and I think, yeah, definitely, I mean, I can't wait to see what we're going to do, like, and I think definitely you want to be buying into it right now, because you can see Ethereum is pumping, and always, guys, this tends to happen always, and a lot of people will be not prepared for this, but it will be time for these coins like Cardano, XRP to absolutely blast off here. And I want to be on the right side. I want to be on the right side to accumulate no Ethereum currently, but I've been shifting my profits from Ethereum into Cardano recently, because guys, you can see the Ethereum compared to Cardano valuation is looking so strong here, is that we can be possibly seeing a breakout here for, let's say if you're having Ethereum right now, you can be shifting it to Cardano, because this can be giving you a potential 115% increasement compared to Ethereum. And that's the reason why I'm currently saying to you guys, I mean, you would be rather buying Cardano right now instead of Ethereum, because it looks to be giving me probably more returns in the coming days here. And I mean, it is more, if you're right now buying into Ethereum, I think it's more the FOMO and the emotions that are hitting you than that you're really saying, okay, I'm buying into Ethereum because I think is a good asset. I think it will be going towards $8,000 guys. In order for Ethereum to double your initial, it needs another 500 billion US dollars. Of course, that is quite a lot. That is quite a lot. And in order for Cardano to double, it's only needing 56 billion US dollars. So what is the coin where you can be making more potential rewards? Definitely Cardano, especially on the levels that Ethereum is currently trading on. So yeah, you definitely want to be very careful, guys, and I think it will be not giving you the best returns here. And the Harvey is right now giving me Cardano 2021 prediction low to high. I mean, of course, beginning of 2021 here for Cardano. Oh, damn it, I just removed my ADA chart here. I have to get this one back into the screen here. So let me get this back. But yeah, my Cardano price prediction here from year to day. I mean, I will be giving you my exact top for Cardano, what I can truly anticipate, guys. I mean, probably I will be also discussing this one in a special video later today because, yeah, I mean, right now, of course, I've been discussing Cardano almost the whole, I mean, a lot here at least. And you know what I want to be doing here? I want to be getting everyone in it. And I know that not everyone on the channel always watches streams. And I do get that, of course, because the streams are quite long here. But you definitely want to be, of course, with it as well here. And you have to know at the beginning of 2021 here, you can see it was, of course, only trading on approximately, yeah, 70 or 40, no, I mean, yeah, 20 cents. Let's say 20 cents or so. And that's 16 cents here. I was trading on 16 cents here. Already seeing a 10x from year to date, even more than a 10x, of course. I mean, I bought my Cardano below the 6 cents here. I mean, it was, of course, an extremely good buy here. I was already a huge fanboy of it. And, of course, right now seeing really the volatility we're going to create. But, I mean, for me, in order to give you a conservative target here, I mean, for me, it's very easy to still see a 4 to 5x here in the coming bull cycle. And, I mean, people are saying, okay, that's easily getting reached. I mean, I think that's a very easy and very underlying price prediction. I think to give you my price prediction to say, let's say it's going to go towards $8, I think it's very conservative, and I think I'm not a moon boy currently because yes, I mean previously I was maybe saying it's definitely going to go towards $10. $10 is definitely a target that you can be looking for Cardano, of course, but I think $10 is right now I think I'm too big of a moon boy if I'm going to say $10 from here on. So to be very conservative, and for me, in order to take also good profits on a certain level, I should really say to myself $6 toward $8 are definitely not bad levels for me to take profits. I mean, bought it on 6 cents here. I mean, for me, I'm very happy with the gains that I made here. So yeah, I will be looking to take some profits at these levels here. So yeah, definitely very exciting for Cardano. And I think, yeah, I mean, holding Cardano at least is still going to give you good returns. And for people that are willing to make very good profits and they are expecting Ethereum to go to 10K here this cycle, you're only making a 2.5x. And if I'm saying a very conservative target that Cardano is going to go towards $6, it's already 3x from here on. So, I mean, depends what you think here, of course. I mean, depends on which side you want to be on. But I mean, I want to be on the side, and I mean, I think that the 10K Ethereum is way more ambitious than $6 towards $8 Cardano. And I mean, if Ethereum is really going to reach a 10K, I mean, and then Cardano is definitely going towards maybe $15 or $16. So, I mean, you decide on which side you want to be standing on. But I think I want to be on the side what is going to give me the most amount of returns. And that's the reason why I will be standing on the side of Cardano. So, I mean, yeah, it's just a very exciting pick here. And of course, this was just my second pick here. I was just talking about my picks here, guys. And in the meantime, if you haven't already smashed up the subscribe button, make sure to do so. If you haven't already smashed up the like button, guys, I currently see we're having 663 likes, guys. It will be very amazing if you are currently hitting up that like button, guys. We are currently only 37 likes away before reaching the 700 likes. It would be just very amazing if you can right now smash up that like button, guys. Can we be smashing it up to 700? That would be absolutely insane. Only what I can see, only 37 likes. I think we can do so. I think we can be hitting up this level. And I see someone saying, how about DOT? It looks undervalued. I will be going into that in a second. So sell the house, live in a tent, and put it in ADA. I mean, Dean Harvey, I should never put your whole I should never go all in. I should never go all in because that is, of course, that's completely not my strategy. I never go all in on a certain coin. Even though that I'm feeling very, very well with Cardano, I always have to have a mixed portfolio because I always want to be managing my risk because you never know what's going to happen. You never know what's going to happen. And that is the reason why it's always very important to have risk management. Maybe Cardano is getting a lawsuit or whatever. You never know what's going to happen, right? So please never go all in on one coin here. Always make sure to have a diversified portfolio. So Chris Bronk also donated to the channel. Chris, thank you for a $5 donation. And let me see what Chris is currently saying here. Chris, you're saying, yo, Rover, can you please check, can you please have a look at VTC on the 4-hourly and daily? It seems to be breaking out and a lot of upside expected looking at 2018. So let me look at this coin, man. Guys, I will be going into my third pick in a second here. We'll be going into it in a second. Of course, once I'm talking about my third pick here, I will be talking about the immediate short term and not, of course, about the long term. Because if I'm going to talk about the long term, I will be definitely giving you guys a different pick here. I was joking, sort of. Okay, that's nice. People are saying the third buy, please. The bakery, I will be going into it in a second. So, third coin. What is this coin doing? Okay, this is 2018. You can see an insane surge to the upside, but you want to be knowing right away. I think we're definitely not going to reach the target, and the reason why here is because we have way more circulating supply. I have not even looked at it here, but guys, the thing that I already know is that we will be having way more supply. You can see over here right now having 71% of total supply, and of course over here it was maybe 20 or 30% total supply. So there's way more total supply, and you can see it as well in the market capitalization. Yes, we've been already sitting at this level over here. We've already sitting on this level over here, and on the same market capitalization that we're currently trading on, we were having $2.70. And right now we have the same market capitalization and we're sitting on $1.40. So there's way more circulating supply, why we need more money to reach this previous all-time high. But are we going to reach it? I mean, yes, definitely we can do so, because yeah, a lot of S coins will be probably absolutely pumping, and I will be not right away calling it an S coin because I don't know the fundamental worth of it. But let me go into the exact price action. First, let me identify the chart from the past. We were creating a lot of bearish divergence once going higher. No, the top was not even a bearish divergence. So over here, yeah, we were creating a bearish divergence. Let's see what it will be doing here. And of course, guys, the RSI indicator, a very reliable indicator, already been here since the 70s. And of course, it's been performing very well here. And of course, previously you saw it as well in the previous bull run. Yeah, we were creating a bearish divergence over here. Moved a little bit lower. It looks to be that you're right now maybe creating some kind of a descending triangle over here. So yeah, you're forming a downside resistance line here, horizontal support level. And yeah, you're just having a descending triangle. Of course, the descending triangle is a bearish bias pattern. It tends to break more. To the downside. And of course, if you're going to see a downwards move getting created here from this descending triangle, this can be, of course, pushing really the price a little bit lower here, and of course, can be also still breaking out to the upside, because yes, you are in a bullish trend here. We are still in a bull market, and these bearish signals tends to still break out to the upside. So let's see what it is going to do. Of course, potential breakout target can be pushing up the price towards the $2.20 here, and they can be seeing a 62% increasement, but it can also still break down here, brother. You have to know that it always can break two directions. Of course, it can be a 70% decreasement. Do it really anticipated? No, not necessarily, because yes, we are in a bull run. We don't see this structure getting broken yet here, because yes, we are still in a higher low structure, and I don't necessarily expect this. So yeah, you want to be keeping your eyes out on it very sharp. And I mean, if you also flip onto some indicators, if you look to the MACD, yeah, the daily MACD is not looking good here. Bearish crossover getting formed here, downtrend getting started because you're forming a lower low structure. This is very exciting, of course. So I mean, 4 hourly is looking very, very, very good here, because on the 4 hour you can see higher low getting created, higher low getting created, higher low getting created, bullish crossover as well getting created, higher high getting created as well from here on. So this is looking very good. The 4 hour is definitely in an uptrend. So of course, the 4 hourly is currently front running the daily candles. So I think yes, you're probably going to see a move to the upside getting created anytime soon here, and I do feel very excited about it for you, my friend. And don't necessarily think that you're going to see a move to the downside getting created. So I should be definitely saying to you, yeah, I do feel very excited about it. Yes, I do think that you're going to see another move to the upside getting created anytime soon here, and I just feel in general very good for you. And I mean, yeah, you can see also upwards of resistance line getting formed here, finding support on this level, finding support once again on this level. So yeah, I mean, in general, I definitely think you're going to rather create a move to the upside than to the downside at the current point. But guys, I will be going into my third pick, because yes, guys, I see so many people talking here. I see Vengeance also saying, what is your third pick? And I see also Harmony 1 and Holochain request here will be going. What is the top 3 coin here? We'll be going into it. That coin is the S coin. Yeah, I already thought that, guys. Of course, I'm just doing this analysis for the request, of course. I don't necessarily think it's a good coin that I want to be buying into myself. You have to know that, guys. Not every single coin that I discuss is one of my favorites. So that's, of course, a thing that you want to be knowing. But my third pick, of course, for my third pick, I will be definitely going to XRP. Maybe you already saw this one coming. But the reason why I'm taking XRP also for my third pick here is because, first of all, I have this insane swing trade currently open on XRP. And besides that, beside this, guys, I also, of course, currently anticipate an move from the current position that we are trading on of another, another 84% approximately to the upside, of course. So, I mean, that is the reason why I will be saying XRP, because it can be seeing a lot of volatility. And of course, if you're going to literally double your initial in within a week or so, it's definitely not bad, right? It's definitely one of the top picks that I should be looking for. So yes, XRP is also an asset that I have been talking about the whole day almost. So of course, guys, once again, I don't talk about assets that I don't like here. I definitely talk about assets that can give me very good potential rewards. And that is the reason why I also think, yeah, it's a very good good coin that you can currently buy into. So yeah, $2.71 here for XRP. I should definitely embrace it. And I mean, for the people that are still wondering, you can be also signing up with Bybit or Famix in the description. I mean, definitely make sure, even though if you don't like trading, or if you don't particularly want to be trading right now, you can be already signing up with the Bybit link in the description, because yeah, guarantee you're getting a $1,000 and 1,080 dollars bonus if you're signing up here. And you want to be knowing, if you're signing up already through my link, you're getting you're getting an $80 welcome bonus, and of course the other $1,000 is the deposit bonus. So you can be already signing up with the Bybit link in the description. Definitely worth to do so. Definitely worth to check out as well. Because yes, it's the biggest bonus ever in the cryptocurrency space, and you should definitely embrace the opportunity. And of course, I'm currently as well in an XRP trade, and of course, I'm currently in a 10x leverage. And if you want to be seeing exactly how I'm doing so, you want to be checking this previous video that I was uploading on the channel. And what I'm talking about in the video is, of course, how I'm approaching this trade here, that you can already open your position. And of course, what you want to be doing is never going all in once here. And because, guys, I mean, the reason why I also feel very excited by XRP is because you can be trading it very well. And of course, because I'm leverage trading it, I can be making from this 90% move, approximately 80 towards 90% move. I mean, I'm already bought it lower, so for me, it's even more. This move can be for me a 1000% move here. So of course that will be very beneficial for the portfolio. 1000% move here, 10x. I think it will be definitely giving us insane good returns. And of course, what you can still do here for the people that are wondering, that are willing to join me, you can be accumulating your position exactly over here. It doesn't exactly matter where you're going to accumulate, as long that you have enough money aside. And if you're having enough money aside, you will be entering over here. You will be adding more once you're falling. And of course, once you're reaching the $1.34, once again, you will be adding more. And in that way, you will be averaging in on a very nice price to push the lower your entry price. And of course, the further you're going to fall, the more quantity you're going to add. So please make sure to use a good strategy. I mean, this strategy has been working very good for me. But like I told you before, never go all in once, because then you don't have money to average in to this price better and better and better. So definitely a strategy that I'm being utilizing. And of course, I also told you guys, we will be doing a trading not a trading competition, we will be doing a trading challenge altogether. Once we're seeing a significant drop off for Bitcoin, once we're seeing a drop off for Bitcoin in the price, let's say Bitcoin is going to crack 20% or so, I will be doing another training challenge with you guys, that we're going to take a swing trade altogether, and we will be opening the trades live in the stream, so you guys can join me if you want to, of course, and we can be, of course, doing it all together, so I can help you guys as well here. So of course, if that's a thing that you're looking forward to, make sure to hit the subscribe button, because of course this is a thing that is coming into towards the future. So definitely very exciting days ahead of us. And of course, you can be already joining me with the XRP trade. I mean, yeah, like I told you as well, currently the trade is absolutely insane. Of course, for the recent hours it's been falling a little bit here, but this is really a reason for me to worry. No, even if we're going to go lower, I will be adding more and more to my position. Currently, to give you an update, you can see I'm currently 55% in profit right now. I can be showing you in the screen as well here. You can see over here 55% profit currently. So I mean, yeah, it's doing very good here. I don't know if you see it over here, but yeah, 55% in profit right now. My Bitcoin trade as well 30%, but my Bitcoin trade, of course, it's been Bitcoin has not been really seeing a lot of volatility. So I mean, Bitcoin, of course, also building up a swing trade position, but only 30% currently. But of course, I mean, the position has not been really growing so quickly in terms of percentages. But of course, I am accumulating a swing trade position, so I don't and expect to see an 800% return right away here. It can be taking a while before seeing my 800% trade here coming up here. And like I told you before, if we're going to break this resistance line as well here on the top side, guys, you can be looking for higher prices, especially. So I mean, I'm really looking forward towards this trade, how it will be ending. And of course, I don't want to be shilling all alone, guys. That's the reason why I'm also saying this every single day here, that I'm currently in this position. I should definitely say check this video over here, because there I explain how I approach this trade, because yes, I opened the trade over there, and of course I'm even in a profit right now, because we were even falling a little bit here. But like I told you before, always once falling, I will be adding more to my position, so I can still average and push down, push lower my my entry price. And that's the reason why I'm still in a good profit right now, 55%. So I mean, I'm only using a 10x here, and it's looking already very good here. So guys, let me see. Also, you guys are absolutely smashing up the the subscribe button. Absolutely insane, guys. Thank you for doing that. And let me get the chat back into the screen here. I don't see it anymore. Yes, it's back again. So let me see. Bitcoin dumping, guys. Not necessarily dumping. 231% on XRP already, guys. I mean, we're just starting off here. We're just starting off here with the trade. So definitely, I think this can be a 1000% trade here. So that's, of course, the reason why I'm taking this. Of course, I'm only taking trades, especially because this is a swing trade. I'm only taking this because I think the potential risk to reward scenario is very good here. So Reef, Rover, bring up Reef coin, please, brother. It was on the move. So let me go to Reef. Let me go into Reef, guys. Definitely, if it's on the move, I definitely want to be discussing it, bro. So, of course, thank you for tuning in here, guys. We also reached the 700 likes here. You guys are absolutely insane. 731 likes. And I see GP Textiles also saying, do you like India girls? No, I mean, I don't know. I like every girls. I like all the girls. So, Medic will be definitely looking into it in a second. Definitely looking into it in a second. My sorry, bro. I will be definitely going into it. But you can see currently Reef is having this symmetrical triangle. Of course, we've been looking at Reef quite a lot. And of course, thank you for reminding me, bro. I see also a lot of requests for Litecoin coming in here. We'll be going into that as well. But Brent, let me talk about Reef here. Of course, we've been looking at Reef for a symmetrical triangle possibility of a breakout. And of course, currently, we are seeing this breakout getting played out here. And of course, this breakout of symmetrical triangle can be definitely pushing up the price pretty significantly. And of course, if we're going to see this breakout, we can be possibly heading towards the 6.9 cents here. So that's, of course, very exciting. And I can't wait to see what we're going to do, because yes, I do feel very excited about this breakout, because I've been anticipating this breakout for quite a long period of time as well here. And I mean, I will be going into Matic in a second here. Give me a moment here, guys. But yeah, refinance, of course, symmetrical triangle playing out here. Right now, finding, yeah, breaking out with the daily candle close. I would be waiting for, if you want to be accumulating a position as well here, for a retest of this yeah, supportive line of the previous resistance flipping into support. So please don't overrush Reef, but definitely it is going to see a potential reward towards the upside. I mean, even though if you don't want to be waiting for it, I mean, it's, yeah, you're probably going to see, yeah, less possibilities for returns. But I mean, price target is from the point that we're currently trading on, still another 50% to the upside. So yeah, if you're buying the supportive line here, it will be a 65% move to the upside. But yeah, Refinance, definitely a coin that I've been talking about a lot at least. But it's definitely going to give you a very good potential rewards here. I do look forward towards it. So I see the request here real quickly. Let me look at it. Matic, of course. Let me look at Matic. So let me see. Matic, of course, we've been looking at the $1 and I was telling you guys, I should be definitely, yesterday I was telling you guys, $1 is definitely my take profit area. And what we are currently seeing, of course, is very shocking for Matic. Of course, I like Matic, I like Polygon, I like the sidechain, and I like the fundamentals of it. And I definitely think it's very good. Also for YLD, it's very good because they have also Polygon sidechain right now. So Matic network, it looks very exciting because, yeah, you're creating higher highs, but also currently creating lower highs on the RSI. So for hourly, for bearish divergence getting created. So yes, you're breaking above the $1. Very important, and I was really not anticipating it, even though that I felt very excited about it, because yes, I told everyone that I was taking profits around the $1 because it's psychological resistance, and of course was creating a bearish divergence. But yeah, since yesterday you also surged even higher and of course broke through that level as well here. So yeah, what can you be expecting? Of course, I expect that we are going to see a drop off right now. But is this really the top? No, I don't think so exactly, because yes, you're creating a bearish divergence. I definitely think that you're going to go back towards the $1. But guys, because the $1 previous extreme resistance will be right now flipping into extreme good support. So definitely should be saying to you, yeah, you can be accumulating some Matic around to $1, but please don't buy it over here, because if you're buying it over here, you're buying into a, yeah, bearish divergence, and you're buying at the top and an all-time high. So that's of course not a strategy that I should be utilizing. It can be seeing a reversal. It can even also maybe see the $1.28 here. And yeah, in general, I feel very excited about Matic Network. You can see the breakout of this falling wedge here getting created. Of course, pushes the price higher. Looks very lovely, looks very good as well here. Do want to be raising the awareness that you want to be very careful at these levels trading. But definitely the $1 should be for me an accumulation level, because major previous resistance, major psychological level of support will be definitely providing us very good support as well here. So I see also Logan donated to the channel. Logan, thank you for $3 US. You're not saying anything, but thank you for your support of the nation. But yeah, for Matic, I want to be careful. You're creating lower highs on the R side, creating bears of virtues currently. Should be not buying over here. But yeah, the $1 is definitely a buying opportunity in my opinion, because yes, the uptrend is still in play here. The fundamentals are looking very good here. You can be even seeing a possibility of going parabolic here, maybe towards the $1.45 or maybe $1.28 here in the Fibonacci. It looks very good here. $1 is definitely accumulation level. So let me see. There are some a lot of requests currently coming in here. So I see also here Logan. Thank you for $3 US. 51 Jackman, you're saying thanks for the top 3 here. No problem, bro. Thank you once again for tuning into this amazing stream here. What do you think about Dent? So let me go into Dent here for you, my friend. Let me see what we are thinking about it. Of course, it's been performing as well. Very, very shocking good here. Shockingly good it's been performing. So, what do we expect here? I mean, this is also, by the way, first I will be identifying the momentum that we are currently sitting in. And I mean, this momentum, just like Bitcoin, I mean, Bitcoin is of course really leading the way. And of course, the momentum for Bitcoin on the RSI is also definitely to the downside. And of course, you can see it as well currently playing out here with Dent. You can see we are definitely in a downtrend. We are setting lower highs on the RSI where the prices are still increasing. So what this is basically telling us, yes, we are once again creating bears divergence each and every time once we're setting a new all-time high. So pretty unfortunate, but like I told you before, guys, this downtrend currently on the RSI, what is ongoing as well for Bitcoin, the RSI momentum waves, it's an RSI momentum wave, tend to move in waves here, guys. And this one for Dent as well, I definitely think, yes, there can be a possibility that we're even going to go a little bit further towards the downside. But yes, we're going to see a new all-time high getting created. And of course, we're going to spike in the RSI as well anytime soon here. And of course, we are not done yet with this bull run here. And I think, yes, we will be still seeing exponential gains here with a lot of these coins. So yeah, I still feel very excited about it, and I don't think that it is necessarily a bad thing to see here. So, yeah, guys, what you also can see over here, I mean, let me draw it from this point over here. You can see a very stealth upward sloping supportive line getting formed here. You can be looking for a horizontal level of resistance over here as well. So, yeah, horizontal resistance that we are currently forming. Let me make this one a little bit more thicker. You can see a horizontal support line getting formed here. Upper sloping support line as well getting formed. This looks like a very clear, yeah, maybe a symmetrical ascending triangle here. So of course this ascending triangle can be pushing up the price pretty significantly if we're going to see a breakout. I mean, I don't really like the touch points that we're currently getting. I do want to be seeing more touch points as well. But yeah, maybe we can be approaching it a little bit differently. But definitely in general, I feel very excited about this about the chart of Dent here. I mean, you can be also looking for this previous level of daily resistance here. We'll be, of course, providing support once we're falling. I mean, yeah, we can be looking at a lot of levels here for the future if we're going to really fall lower. So, I mean, yeah, definitely very exciting things heading towards us. I think we can be seeing, yeah, this support line be getting supported even more. And I mean, if you look to the 4-hourly time frame, let me remove this line in the RSI here. Real quickly, let me remove this line over here. And let me make the RSI index also a little bit, yeah, a little bit smaller. And if you look at the chart over here on the 4-hourly time frame, guys, yeah, you can be maybe looking for a possibility of an yeah, parallel channel to the downside. Let me remove this line, by the way. Let me just get this parallel channel over here. You can be looking for a possibility of a parallel channel over here. Yeah, and this parallel channel, of course, can be pushing up the price also very significantly here. This looks very good here, in my opinion. You can see supportive line on the lower side here, resist line on the top side. This is looking particularly exciting, in my opinion. Of course, for me, in order to really call direction in the immediate short term for DNT here, is for me at least a breakout through the top side for more momentum to the upside. If we're not going to hold on to the supportive line, and of course also break below the supportive line in the parallel channel, yeah, we are of course looking absolutely bearish. But this is of course a thing that you can be looking at currently. So very exciting what you can currently see here. Of course, the RSI is still also in a downtrend on the 4-hour. Looks very exciting, but for me, it's very hard to call you an exact direction here. The EMA ribbon, of course, we're currently trading below it, so that's still providing us resistance. Besides that, the daily EMA ribbon is still providing us support. So yeah, I mean, still very indecisive what Dent is currently doing here. But yeah, you're looking into a very good consolidation structure that you're currently in. Of course, you're still setting higher lows, so the structure is towards the upside. So I should definitely say to you, I have to feel excited about it. So Oh, they're still going to make good gains with DNT as well, you, my friend. So RamX, thank you for $20 donation. Thank you for your absolutely insane donation here once again. You were saying, what are your thoughts about Shiba reaching the 0.000055 cents in the coming hours? I mean, what do I think about it? I think it's absolutely S. You want to be staying away from it. I mean, yeah, you don't necessarily want to be staying away from it. I mean, you can be buying it, but then you have a lot of potential to lose a lot of money. So, yeah, the problem here is, the problem with this coin is that it is probably still going to increase. It's probably still going to increase here because there will be even more FOMO into it. Because, yeah, because you're right now requesting it as well to me, I think there will be even coming more FOMO into this coin. So, I mean, I should be really saying to you, you want to be extremely careful. Look at this chart. The problem in here is that approximately 60% of the circulating supply is currently held by 3 addresses. So I mean, there's a lot of circulating. I mean, 60% of the supply is owned by probably 1 or 2 persons, 1 or 3 persons. I mean, and of course that can be very bad for such a coin because they are trying to benefit from you. Because if the coin is of course pumping so significantly, they will be dropping on you and you will be getting wrecked. And that's the reason why I should be saying to you guys, you don't want to be buying into it. And of course that's also the reason why I don't buy into it myself as well. And I mean, you can see over here, some big players were buying into it because they knew more about it than we, and of course they're investing a lot of money into it. Over here you can see the spike, and they're trying to cause FOMO, and yeah, you don't want to be getting wrecked here, because if you're buying right now, you're probably going to get wrecked. And of course people think it's cheap, but it's of course completely expensive. So don't be buying into it. It's a meme coin, no fundamental worth. Yeah, just not a coin that I should be buying into. At least this is just not a coin that I should be buying in, and that is the reason why I'm saying this. Yeah, of course you can be doing whatever you want yourself. Of course, I'm not a financial advisor. You want to be doing your own research, but definitely not an opportunity that I should be embracing currently. So you can, Logan, also donate to the channel. Shiba, can you please check up on that? I mean, I already was discussing it, but thank you for your support of the donation. But Shiba, guys, you just, I mean, the problem here is that so many people are requesting it here, but it's just too risky for me to buy in. I mean, a lot of people are probably going to get wrecked here, just like SafeMoon as well once people are buying the top. Please don't let your emotions drive your buys here, because if the emotions are going to drive your buys, you're absolutely going to get wrecked here. And of course that should not be the strategy that you should be utilizing over here. So I mean, please be careful, and I should really not suggest buying into it. Of course, no financial advice. You want to be doing your own research. But yeah, I mean, if you really are, if you really want to be buying into it, you're completely buying with your emotions, because probably a lot of people think it's cheap, but it doesn't matter. Of course, it is all about the market capitalization, and of course it's a calculation with market capitalization with the circulating supply as well, divided by the circulating supply. So please don't let the FOMO in your body. Don't think you should be buying into this coin because it's being so cheap, or that it's been pumping so significantly. Because if a coin is just increasing so fast, there are two persons in the market. One person in the market is saying it's pumped too much here, I should be staying away from it. The other person that should be saying, okay, it's been pumping very significantly, I want to be joining the trend. Okay, you can be doing so, but the potential risk attached to it is way higher, in my opinion. And the most important part, and the reason why I've been very good with in terms of my investments, etc., is because I've always thought about risk management. And the problem here is yes, I've been through 2017 as well here, guys, but risk management is just the most important part. And you have to know, we are right now in a period that everything goes green, everything goes well here, and we're only seeing bright days, we're only seeing green days here, and it's never been it will be probably never going so fast like it is currently going. And I know it feels very good here, but I know the mistakes from 2017, people buying into S coins, absolutely going to bleed. They're absolutely going to bleed with their investment, and I don't want you guys to get bleeding. I don't want you guys to get wrecked here, and that is the reason why you should be saying you just want to be staying away from this coin, and it's just not smart of it. It's just not smart enough for me. And people are also saying, oh, I bought for $10 I bought 1 million of these coins. So what? So what? There is so much circulating supply. The coin is not worth a lot. And people are saying, oh, this coin is going to $1 because it's so undervalued. But guys, like I told you before, it's all about the current circulating supply divided by the market capitalization. So please, it doesn't matter how expensive or how cheap it is. It is all about the market capitalization and the circulating supply. And guys, it's not a coin that I should be buying into. That's right away my my opinion about it. And I see also Adrian Rex donating to the channel. Adrian, you were saying, Rover, worth cashing out 50% of my Urn.finance into BTC. Well, still kicking ass. I know it's been performing very well here. Thank you for your amazing show here. Been stacking that cake and make the most out of Dubai. So thank you so much for your support of the nation. Adrian Rex, you're of course also a true legend here. Thank you for supporting the channel once again here. You guys, of course, are the best, and you guys are also the reason why I'm doing this every single day here. Truly amazing, of course. But if you look here, Urn.finance, of course, it's been increasing so significantly. I know it's been absolutely pumping here. And I mean, I was seeing something interesting as well here. Let me go back here to the articles. I was seeing something interesting about Urn.finance. Yeah, you see over here, Urn.finance surges 45%, and it joins the dog pack with Woofy. So they have a very exciting agreement here. So of course, yeah, let's see what they're doing here. Of course, very exciting what they're doing here. They joined Woofy as well. So of course, yeah, let's see what it will be doing here. Let me also read into the charts a little bit here. Yeah, we were discussing this one yesterday as well here. We were seeing, of course, upper sloping resistance line getting formed here. Urn.finance is an asset that has not been really moving since it's getting launched, etc. And people were, of course, not a lot of people were anticipating it. I mean, it was sitting on 55k here, of course, seeing a very insane increasement, of course. You can see almost having perfect retest. After that, yeah, we surged higher. But I mean, yeah, I mean, it is looking good here. You should be, a lot of people will be maybe saying I should want to be buying into it. I see also Dean Harvey saying a lot of link requests, so I will be going into Chainlink in a second, guys. Give me a moment. Let me quick sip of my water, discuss some Urn.finance, then I will be going into Chainlink. Agreed? Let's go. In the meantime, guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, guys. We're so close to 41.6k already. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. So, what are we having with Urn.finance? Yeah, I mean, do we want to be buying into it? I mean, for me, my friend, also to say you're wondering, should I be taking some profits? Yes. I mean, it's never bad to take profits once you're sitting at all-time highs, once you're seeing such an insane increasement. Yes, there is a possibility that it's going to maybe towards 100k. Definitely possible. Definitely possible, not out of the books. But is it overextended right now? Yes. Is it giving you a good selling opportunity? Yes, definitely. I should definitely say, yeah, why should you be not taking at least some profits, in my opinion? So, I mean, it's been going up very significantly. Yeah, the chart is still looking healthy. No bearish divergence, etc. Everything is still looking healthy. Yeah, you're definitely in an uptrend. You're still setting higher lows. And you can see, you could have seen this one coming already. And the reason why here, guys, and that is the reason why I love the MACD. You can see here, let me zoom in a little bit here. You can see over here, higher low getting created here. Higher low getting created. You can see over here. So, of course, we were losing selling pressure. Higher high getting created as well since then. Oh, oopsie. Since then over here, you can see here, higher high getting created, higher low getting created, and right now once again a higher high getting created. So yeah, of course you're currently at the top side of this higher high. So probably yes, the momentum will be maybe shifting on the daily anytime soon here. We're going to definitely cool some off here. Of course, you never go up in a straight line, but you could have seen this one coming here. And maybe, by the way, I can be spotting some reversals for you to maybe say you want to be going out of it. So you can be already seeing, it looks to be the top is already in from this buying opportunity, and it should be definitely saying to you, yeah, you want to be very careful right now because it looks to be very overextended right now. So yeah, I should be definitely saying to you, yeah, please be careful. Don't be over rushing this one, because if you're over rushing this, yeah, definitely you're going to get wrecked here. I should be definitely for the holders, yeah, you can be definitely holding right now. If you're new to the market, I should definitely not be buying into it. Like I told you before, never buy into these extreme pumps here, because then you're getting wrecked here. And I know you guys, yeah, sometimes it can even go higher, and then you think, oh, Rover, I wish I did not listen to him. But guys, that is maybe one of the 10 scenarios that is going to pump higher, but 9 of the 10 scenarios is going to even reverse. So also with Ethereum Classic, etc., we've been seeing it all before. And I mean, Urn.finance is of course a good coin here, so it's different to Ethereum Classic. I can't compare it, but yeah, very exciting to see what we're currently having here. Of course, I mean, you're yeah, on the RSI you're still setting a higher high, but for me it's very hard to spot some levels of resistance. I can be possibly setting as well up a Fibonacci extension level to maybe look for some extension levels that you can be looking at as well. You can see over here, it's been increasing very significantly. We broke through the 1.618 here. Let's see what we're going to do here. But definitely think that we can reach the 103k here as well. That's of course for me the next target in the Fibonacci 2.618 here. Next retracement level. We can be definitely reaching that level. Let's see once we are going to do so. But for me, it's very hard to spot some levels of resistance and support because yeah, we are at price discovery, and I mean, And Fibonacci is not also showing us a lot of significance. Maybe on this one here, if instead of Fibonacci on a little bit of the immediate short term here, Fibonacci immediate short term can see already got rejected by the 2.618 here. I think this one will be a little bit more significance. Maybe on the 4 hour it's showing even more. Yeah, I mean, you want to be very careful. You can see over here as well, 1.618 providing resistance. So I think this one is pretty significant. Topside also providing resistance. We can be looking for retracement. 70k is definitely a buying opportunity, 70k. But yeah, I should be also saying you want to be very careful right now. And I mean, if you're taking some profits, you're not doing your bad job. At least maybe take 20%, maybe take 50% profits. I should never go out all of Ethereum Finance because it's still an exciting project and it seems to be moving finally. So yeah, still has more price possibilities. But yeah, let's see what it's going to go towards, my friends. So I mean, also guys, for the subscriber count, currently we are only another 4 subscribers, guys. We're exactly 4 subscribers away before reaching the 41.6k. Can we be right now, guys? Can we be right now smashing this up to 41.6k? That will be, of course, absolutely insane if you're doing so right now, because then, guys, you're of course joining the Crypto Rover army. And make sure to right away as well, guys, if you're new to the channel, make sure to right away smash up that bell notification, because yes, guys, I'm going to upload more videos today. I will be probably uploading a video, maybe about a specific altcoin, maybe also about the Cardano price section, maybe as well about my XRP trade once again, because yes, I think it's very important to discuss these things here, because I want to be sharing more and more with you guys. And of course, I'm trying to push out more and more content. And as well here, guys, if you haven't already followed me here on Instagram, we are exactly 10 followers away before reaching the 3,800 as well here. Will be as amazing as we can also reach it over here. Will be very cool if you're doing so. I mean, definitely worth to check out here. We are uploading all these stories here, and you should definitely see this, because of course we were of course also discussing the market over here. I sometimes also discuss the market here on my Instagram. And of course, this was a real-time update, so definitely make sure to go to my Instagram, follow me as well over here, because yeah, these updates are very important. And this was of course about the price action of Bitcoin yesterday, once we were sitting on 56.5k, and of course we were seeing that reversal getting created towards the upside. We were seeing the exact point of the reversal coming in here, and of course after that we were moving up higher. So definitely worth to check out here, also my TikTok of course, but definitely worth to check out my Instagram page here at CryptoRoverYT. You can see these important updates. You don't want to be missing them, because yeah, if you missed out of it, it's pretty unfortunate. By the way, guys, yes, we smashed it up to 41.6k, guys. Thank you so much for reaching this insane target, 41.6k. Once again, I can't believe it. You guys are absolutely insane here. But let me go into the next request, because there was Link here. I see a lot of requests coming in for Chainlink, because that was also the asset I was going to discuss the next one. And guys, this was just a very important thing that I had to discuss as well here. But look at this. Look at the significance of yesterday's daily candle bounce here. Because yes, guys, we've been looking at Chainlink, and yes, you know probably as well on the channel that I feel very excited about Chainlink, and there are multiple levels that you can currently look at for Chainlink. So Chainlink, of course, 1.618, very important level of support. You can see this level of support, of course, providing very good support here. Besides that, you have this upward sloping resistance line, guys. And of course, this upward sloping resistance line was providing a lot of resistance along the way up here. So since seeing this breakout, of course, getting played out here for the price action of Chainlink, you can see we're finding support on this previous line of resistance. And yeah, right now we are retesting it once again each and every time successfully as support. So that's of course a very important thing to see. And besides that, the 1.618 here of the Fibonacci extension level is also coming together as support. So Chainlink compared to US dollar chart, what are we seeing? We are seeing that Chainlink is getting supported by 2 levels of support, Fibonacci support and upper sloping support line. So this is of course looking good here. You have currently a buying opportunity because you're buying at support, and that's of course a very good thing to do so. And I mean, guys, the thing that you want to be knowing, always once I'm buying into my spot positions, I never hesitate, because I don't care if I'm buying a Chainlink around 48.9 cents, 48.90 cents, or 48.20 cents here. For my spot position, I don't care at all. So of course, you can be being a little bit more careful, but I know for spot, I'm just holding. So also holding a lot of Chainlink, like you guys know already probably. I've been talking a lot about it for my spot position. So of course, the reason why I'm holding it, because I think it will be giving me very good returns. And you can see, you can't say that we were not discussing it. We have been discussing Chainlink every single day since seeing the breakout. You can be, I've made dedicated videos about it. So if you don't believe me, go back to the channel, go back to see where I was uploading videos about Chainlink. I think I have been uploading here about my top 5 picks. Of course, I have been uploading it. I mean, you can see over here. Let me see Chainlink going towards $100 anytime soon here, because yes, guys, it will be going to go towards that level. And you can see I've been talking about it every single day. So I also made dedicated videos about the Chainlink compared to Bitcoin chart, looking extremely good here. And I mean, It's definitely also looking very exciting, and you can see a breakout getting utilized, of course, right now in a very beautiful uptrend here. Higher lows getting created, higher highs as well getting created, and of course, it is definitely looking like we are in a clear uptrend. And of course, as you are in a clear uptrend, you can be looking as well for higher prices and higher levels for Chainlink as well. And I definitely should be still saying to you guys, you want to be buying into Chainlink right now. Like I told you before a moment ago, Chainlink is looking good on the US dollar valuation, but also for the Bitcoin valuation, guys. We are still going to go towards our price target, but is this 22% surge everything? If you're wondering, no, this is not everything. We're definitely going to go even higher, in my opinion, because yes, we're even going to see the next target getting reached as well. And I think we're starting a new wave. We are starting a new tsunami. I will be also calling it the Chainlink tsunami is right now starting, because yes, we're going to see another wave to the upside getting created for Chainlink. And of course, first we're going to reach this price target, then we're going to reevaluate. But in general, I think we're definitely going to go towards new all-time compared to Bitcoin. So, I mean, if we're going to go towards a new all-time compared to Bitcoin, that means that we're going to sit on 0.16% of a Bitcoin. What means here, let me see. BTC to US dollar. Let me see how much it is. That will be meaning a 90 US dollar, 19.95 US dollar Chainlink. So of course, I definitely anticipate that. And of course, if Bitcoin is going to even increase more, we're going to see a higher price target getting reached here. So please, don't think that you're already too late for Chainlink. We're currently only trading on 48 US dollars. Once again, the market capitalization in the crypto space in general is only getting more and more. And Chainlink is only having approximately 20 billion US dollars, so it still has so much potential to even absolutely move towards the upside. So please don't think that you're already too late. You're going to make still very good gains here. And I mean, yeah, Chainlink compared to Ethereum is looking a little bit still a little bit more exciting. And you're maybe wondering, but Rover, why are you saying that Chainlink compared to Ethereum is looking exciting? And I mean, guys, I've been saying that first Ethereum is pumping and then the other altcoins are pumping. And you're maybe wondering, but we are falling lower. Why do you say it's exciting? Because guys, we are forming an insane bullish divergence right now on the 4 hourly on the daily candles, and the higher the time frame, the more significant it will be here. And you can see over here, lower low getting created, higher low in the R side. This is of course providing us an insane good buying opportunity. I mean, first of all, Chainlink trading on support. Second of all, Chainlink compared to Bitcoin still about this reach a price target. And then we're seeing Chainlink compared to Ethereum forming a bullish divergence on the daily candles. I mean, guys, is this really a thing that you want to be missing out of? I don't think so. I think you definitely want to be missing this out, because this can be definitely pushing up the price very significantly. And I can't wait to see, yeah, once we are going to move a little bit higher, because yes, guys, Chainlink is going to give us insane good returns. So yeah, like I told you before, it tends to move in waves compared to Ethereum, just like Chainlink and just like Cardano. And I think, yeah, there will be in Cardano and Chainlink as well a tsunami coming towards our way, because yes, there will be some profits from Ethereum flipping into these bigger altcoins. So please, don't be waiting. And I see a lot of Litecoin requests as well coming in here, but definitely don't be missing out on Chainlink here. I think you're definitely can be missing out about a lot of potential rewards here. So should be definitely looking forward towards it. So I can't wait to see what we're going to do. VeChain, we already discussed an ADA as well, man. Ben Burst. I mean, we've been discussing it a lot here, so you can be going back into the stream to see that, because yeah, we're currently getting a lot of Litecoin requests here, and we've been discussing VeChain and Cardano quite a lot here, and I still have to be moving on as well here, because guys, yes, we are already live for 2 hours and 5 minutes, of course. Definitely enjoying the stream here. If you're enjoying the stream as well here, make sure to smash up the like button, because guys, we are currently only 14 likes away before reaching the 800 likes. Would be absolutely insane if we can be reaching the 800 likes, guys. Only another 14 likes. Can we be smashing it up? I think we can. Only 14, guys. Let's see what we can do. I think we are very strong like an army, and we can be reaching this target. Of course, let me go into Litecoin and what we are currently seeing here. Of course, then we can be looking for the next one. But yeah, Litecoin, of course, this one is still, I have literally nothing to complain about Litecoin, because Litecoin is absolutely looking beautiful in my opinion. It's been definitely in an uptrend. It's been setting higher highs. It's been setting higher lows. It's looking very good here. And people are still saying Litecoin, please. But guys, like I promised, I will be discussing Litecoin and what I'm currently doing. So Litecoin, definitely very beautiful uptrend here. Higher lows getting formed here. Higher highs getting formed as well. And it is definitely looking good here. So the most important thing that you was looking or had to look at towards is of course resistance 3 times. Of course, since we're breaking through it on the 4th touch, you can see of course the volatility was getting created towards the upside. And of course, since seeing this volatility getting created, of course this is very exciting, because yeah, of course, if you're seeing the volatility getting created over here, you can be looking for some higher prices anytime soon here. And of course, it is just very exciting that you're seeing right now this previous resistance line flipping into support, and multiple touch points were getting multiple touch points mark, and yeah, of course we were finding support and yeah, multiple times on this level, so that was of course very beautiful to see here. And I definitely think it's of course very good to find support on this level, and we can be right now looking for higher prices anytime soon here. So I definitely think it will be yeah, very beneficial, and that we can be heading towards the 420 US dollars. Of course, previous all-time high target for a price section of Litecoin. But like I told you before here, guys, if we're going to reach the 420 US dollars, don't expect an insane breakthrough right away. I think we will be finding massive resistance on this level, and the reason why I'm saying this is because we will be probably finding massive resistance on the previous all-time high. It's just not a level that you're easily going to break from, just like Bitcoin did, just like Ethereum did. It's very likely to find massive resistance on this level. So I can't wait to see what we're going to do here. But 420, of course, coming together with Doge Day. Definitely exciting target that we're going to find some support on, resistance on, and it should definitely also be very careful with accumulating your position right here. I mean, yes, I should be saying, yeah, accumulation should be on this supportive line here, but buying right now, yeah, I think if we're heading towards the 420 US dollars, it depends as well on Bitcoin. If Bitcoin is also going to crush through it, Litecoin will be definitely doing the same here. But I should be also saying to you guys, you want to be careful because, yeah, previous all-time high will be, yeah, finding massive resistance for the price action of Litecoin. So, yeah, I feel very excited about it. I feel like we have been having a lot of consolidation, that we can be seeing another move to the upside getting created. Maybe we can be having multiple touch points before really breaking through it, and maybe, yeah, forming some kind of an ascending triangle. Let's see how this will be forming here. I do feel very excited about it. Of course, if we can close the daily candle, above this line here, and find some support on this 420 level, yes, we can be looking for potential higher prices anytime soon here. In general, guys, I feel very excited about Litecoin. I don't see any bad reasons to be bearish currently on Litecoin. I definitely feel very cool about it. Yeah, can't wait to see what it's going to do here. And I mean, also the Litecoin compared to Ethereum valuation, it's been also decreasing very significantly. And I mean, does it really see? No, for here on, we don't see a bullish divergence yet here for Litecoin compared to Ethereum. I mean, Litecoin compared to Bitcoin, guys, you know that we've been talking about this one also every single day here. You can see here, yeah, falling wedge getting created, price target sitting, and it's still way higher, of course, way higher price target. Of course, the price target will be still another surge of 55%, 52% compared to Bitcoin. So yeah, the price target compared to Bitcoin for Litecoin is also still looking good here. Litecoin is definitely going to take some more territory compared to Bitcoin, because yeah, we are starting a new uptrend on the daily candles. Of course, that can be not being done in just a matter of a few hours or minutes. This will be, of course, definitely seeing more volatility getting created. So I feel very excited about Litecoin. I don't see a reason to be bearish on Litecoin. I definitely think we can be seeing some higher prices anytime soon here. So yeah, I mean, definitely worth to check out here, Litecoin. And it looks still very healthy. But yeah, I do want to be seeing this breakthrough of the 420 level, previous all-time high. So, guys, thank you so much for tuning into the stream. But unfortunately, guys, I will be wrapping up the stream right now because I still have to do some things here. And I will be also preparing another video for later today, but I still have to head out as well here. So guys, thank you so much for watching to this amazing video here on the channel. Don't forget, guys, don't forget to hit up that like button. Don't forget to hit up that subscribe button as well here, because yes, guys, we just smashed through the 41.6k. Absolutely insane, of course. Truly thankful and truly amazing that we did so. But guys, unfortunately, have to head out right now. And thank you so much for watching here. Hopefully, guys, hopefully I will be seeing you guys later back in another stream here, and another video that I will be uploading here on the channel. So guys, thank you so much for tuning in here. Hopefully you're going to have an amazing day here. And I'm sorry that I have to head out right now, but of course, we've been already live for over 2 hours here. So guys, unfortunately, I have to head out right now, but I will be going away right now. So guys, thank you so much for watching here. We'll be checking you guys at least tomorrow in a new stream at the same time. You guys know that I'm every single day here at the same time approximately. Maybe today will be a little bit different here because I have a buggy tour through the desert, so that's of course very exciting. But guys, thank you so much for tuning in here. Don't forget to check out the videos that are going to get launched here. Don't forget to hit that bell notification, because otherwise you're missing out of these videos possible. So that was of course very important to do so. And guys, don't forget, peace out. Dubai.